Oh man. Oh man, oh man. Not again. Yeah, I learned the game from William Wesley, you can never check me. Back to back for the niggas that didn't get the message. Back to back like I'm on the cover of Lethal Weapon. Back to back like I'm Jordan 96, 97. Whoa, very important and very pretentious. When I look back, I might be mad that I gave this attention. Yeah, but it's weighing heavy on my conscience. Yeah, and fuck you left the boy no options. I wanna see my niggas go insane. You gon' make me step out of my fucking frame. You gon' make me buy bottles for Charlemagne. You gon' make me go out of my fucking way. I waited 4 days, nigga, where y'all at? I drove here in a rave playing AR-AB. I'm not sure what it was that really made y'all mad, but I guess this is what I gotta do to make y'all rap. I mean, oh, can't fool the city, man, they know what's up. Second floor, Tootsie's getting shoulder rubs. This for y'all to think that I don't write enough. They just mad cause I got the Midas touch. You love her, then you gotta get a world tour. Is that a world tour or your girl's tour? I know that you gotta be a thug for her. This ain't what she meant when she told you to open up more. Yeah, trigger fingers turn to Twitter fingers. Yeah, you getting bodied by a singing nigga. I'm not the type of nigga that'll type of niggas. And shout to all my boss bitches, wife and niggas. Make sure you hit them with the prenup. Then tell that man to ease up. I did another one, I did another one. You still ain't did shit about the other one. Got the drink in me going back to back. Yeah, going back to back. I got the drink in me going back to back. Yeah, I'm going back to back. I don't wanna hear about the Sever again. Not even when she tell them that they better as friends. Not even when you're saying Drizzy, tell them again. I've been putting on the show, it was a sellout event. Oh, you need better seating. I didn't wanna do it, gave me every reason. The point I'm trying to make is I don't ever need them. Seen what you do for fame or what you do for freedom, please. Check them for a while or an earpiece, please. Please do not let these niggas nail me, please. Think before you come for the great one, please. Who's a real nigga and who ain't one, please. Somebody stop me. I'm talking Bolsey and Guanawasi. I got the fest in 5 days and it's my shit. Soon as a nigga hit the stage, they gon' ask if I can play the shit back to back. Yeah, they want it back to back. They gon'
So sorry. Did you hope I was crying? It was rough without you. It was rough without you.
I did some charity today for the kids, but I'm used to it, cause all y'all charity cases, all y'all stare in my face and hopes you could be the replacement. Niggas is snitching on us without no interrogation. I stay silent cause we at war and I'm very patient. 6 God is watching, I just hope you're prepared to face him. I'm charged up. I'm charged up. Wow, I'm honored that you think this is staged. I'm flattered, man, in fact I'm amazed. The perfect start to the summer, man, this shit is a doozy. This shit a twist in the movie, but don't jump to conclusions. You boys are getting into your feelings on me. You should embrace it, this could be one of our realest moments. Okay, the flow start to feel familiar, don't it? Must I remind you that Jimmy got 20 million on it? Need DJ Clue to drop a bomb on it. None of them want this shit more than I want it. I seen it all coming, knew they would push a button. East egg hunting, they gotta look for something. Done doing favors for people, cause it ain't like I need the money I make off a feature. I see you niggas having trouble going gold, turning into some so-and-sos that no one knows. But so it go. Come live all your dreams out at OVO. We gon' make sure you get your bread and you know the ropes. I get a ring and I bring it home like I'm Corey Joe. No woman ever had me starstruck or was able to tell me to get my bars up. I'm charged up. Oh no, we eatin', niggas ain't about to starve us. Nah, niggas ain't about to starve us. I'm charged up. I bought my niggas rollies off of Thank Me Later while these boys was stanky legging. Trust me, this information is vital. I'm trying to take the high road. I still got love for my idols. I got me a deal with Apple and I still feel entitled. Rumor has it there's something that only I know. Rumor has it I steer the ship with my eyes closed. Rumor has it I either fucked her or never could. But rumor has it hasn't done you niggas any good. It's sound till the day I die. We going live to keep the shit alive. Cops are killing people with their arms up. And your main focus is trying to harm us. And you think you about to starve us? Niggas ain't about to starve us. Nah, I'm charged up.
Have you seen me? I'm doing so good. Every time with me, oh, I'm so sorry.
Yo, I don't even know, man. Maybe I'm the only one who sees how whack this nigga is. You know what I'm saying? But the rest of these niggas like this nigga or something, yo. Fucking 33 years old trying to get respect, nigga. Get a life. Feed your family, man. God damn.
Yo, why the fuck would you?
Years old trying to get respect, nigga. Get a life. Feed your family, man. God damn.
Yo, why the fuck would you jump to step to a motherfucker such as myself? Nigga, I'll deck you, lay you out, beat the shit out you till you confess to being the weakest nigga out in homosexual shit. You jock me and talk shit cause you not me, I'm cocky. This faggot's riding my dick, a jockey. Try me, nigga, your shit's jokes, you Cosby, I'm Ali. Bitch, I'm the king, you Rodney. Get it? How dare you try comparing yourself to me? Coming in minds, you embarrass yourself, so please ease off my dick. Worry about your own shit. I got skills to pay the bills, bitch. You homeless on this microphone. It's no joke. I'm focused, so you provoke it, don't choke and toast it. Your shit is not hot, man. Goddamn, yo, you top for the wackest nigga alive besides Van Gogh. And you hate how I get props and you can't. Trying to rap.
Paper planes, Novocaine, Mary Jane. Say one thing to me, you text toast, no razor cane. I can't lie, life's good, man, I can't complain. Walking through the hood undoubtedly without a stain. Hopped off the porch, I'm a prodigy, they know the name. Had to run it up, let my prophecy financial gain. If you ain't with me, you against me, then get out the way. Spending on you and your people, dancing on your grave. Choppers like Resident Evil, we dress like Blood Rain. Rock that American Eagle, hoodie got blood stains. My brother whipping up them kilos, I told him fuck the game. Twin Glock, Max Pay, kick shit, Johnny K. Ice selling Johnny Day, B shit, Luke K. Flaming shit, Luke K. Brand new day, brand new K. Ballin' like 2K. I swear I've been betrayed, one too many times, too many to count. Yeah, all the nights I prayed, solid how I stayed. No matter how they played it, I stood on mine. Whoa, yeah, there's too many to count. Hey, hey, times I've been betrayed. Fuck is that about? Paper plane, Laker game, Novocaine. Headshot Drizzy, man, you know the aim. Niggas praying, I spare them like a bowling lane. Yeah, like Mike, Corleone, sporty flow. I done it all, it's like I'm shorty low. All these fools I'm beefing that I barely know. 45, 44, let it go. You ain't changing shit for me, it's set in stone. Rolling stones, heavy stones, precious stone. Let me make my presence known. Paper planes, Novocaine, Mary Jane. Say one thing to me, you text toast, no razor cane. I can't lie, life's good, man, I can't complain. Walking through the hood undoubtedly without a stain. Hopped off the porch, I'm a prodigy, they know the name. Had to run it up, let my prophecy financial gain. If you ain't with me, you against me, then get out the way.
Axel.
Warrior. Hey, I don't cop things for resale, don't do iCloud, don't do email. Feds wanna top up, man, and wire up, man, like Chubbs did detail. Back when Ricky was doing up Teasdale, I was doing dinner with Teasy. I didn't trust no one, so I got limey cause got too greasy. Nico never move Nike, sweatsuit Nike, sweatsuit DG. If man get beaky, ring ring, call up GG, do him up neatly. Used to look up to a man from certain ends with tune on repeat. Thought he was a bad boy then till man got pinched and man went PC. Man went PC just like Dell and Windows, some man been those. Before I was ever around Kendos, I was in Enzo dreaming up Enzos.
Yo.
The woman I do end up with has to be a backyard just like Munchie.
Yo, yo, yo. What up? What up, chat? What up? Morning. My bad. I was trying to get some stuff done. Yo, Green, you're hella late today, bro. Way too late today, Green. We've been here for a minute. Why is it loading? What's loading right now? Hold on, sorry. Give me a second. Task manager. Okay, now it's good. It's good. It's good. What up, chat? What up? What up? What up? Hey, Friday is gone now, right? Chat. Friday is all gone. I think we can all say that we forgot about Friday now, right? So all it took really was a couple days, right? That's why you should always stay composed, because nothing changed since then, man. Nothing changed. Nothing changed since then. Same thing, you know, same strategy, same plan, just a new day, right? So as long as you stay composed within the last 3 days, you would have got rewarded. And you forgot about Friday, just like that. Memory's gone, right? You gotta have a short memory. Wixon says it all the time. Wixon's very good at saying it all the time. He always says how you should have a short memory. Yeah, the memory was only 4 days long, right? So let me just send a Zoom link chat and we'll get started. Why are you beefing people on Instagram? Me beefing? Oh, I'm not beefing people on no Instagram. What are you talking about? Me? Act like we friends. You hear what Drake's saying? I'm just playing defense. Chat. We talking about that was 45-44? I was talking about Drake. I mean, I was talking about Kanye, you know. Kanye, the boy. Let's see. Boom, boom. Link's been sent. And nice. Link's been sent. Did I send it? Yeah, I did. Our controller and then announcements. Nice. Alright. Alright, chat. Good morning. Today is, you know, I thought it was USD CPI. I'm not gonna lie. But that was yesterday. I got mixed up. Today is CAD CPI. Then tomorrow is gonna be, tomorrow is a big day. Tomorrow is FOMC. Alright. So buy stops, sell stops for some of you guys. But yeah, tomorrow's FOMC. You have that at 2 p.m. Wednesday, December 21st. Alright. So they're looking to increase rates. Should be a pretty big day tomorrow. I might do 2 streams, maybe, might not. I'll let you guys know. But Thursday, you also have interest rates as well. Another big day for the pound. And then on Friday, you have flash services PMI and flash manufacturing PMI for the pound. So you have a very wild next 3 days. Today's the last day before. What's that saying, chat? The day before the storms, or how's it go? What's that thing they say? The calm before the storm. Yeah, the calm before the storm. That's what it is. So yeah, today's like the calm before the storm, because things are gonna get very wild this week. Tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday should be pretty wild days there. But yeah, chat. As for the analysis today, so let's take a look at the markets real quick. All right, let's do quick analysis on gold and then quick analysis on GJ here. So gold here for the weekly here. As you can see, it's coming down. Now, My only concern here really is the fact that we don't know what the top wick is, man. We have no idea what the top wick is. I can confidently say that, okay, once you come down to break the lows, that, okay, the top wick is formed. And this is the top wick for price to drive down. But until then, we can easily re-break the highs, hover in this area until a steeper top wick, and then still drive, right? Because as long as price respects this high up here, this thing is valid to drive down. Again, our weekly target this week is 1617 due to the fact that you have clean traffic to the left-hand side. This is the first closure you have below the range since COVID, or since April 2020, the beginning of COVID. And I mean, with the closure below, we should continue to drive down. Looking left, this is all clean traffic. So price action states that we should continue to drive down. I wouldn't be surprised if FOMC brings price down tomorrow and the next couple of days within the rest of the news folders. All right, so Thursday, Friday should be pretty key days today, this week. Sorry. The daily is pretty nicely bearish right now. Overall, though, technically we're still bullish off the daily. I did mention that, okay, you need some type of resistance to be created here first for price to be to confirm resistance, right? So until we actually close bearish at resistance, which we don't know if it's gonna close there, you have 10 hours left. This count could still close bullish here, but once you close bearish on the daily, you'll see us start to reject this resistance, and you'll see it start to head back down to retest the lows and do something like this. Now, that would be great if we can close bearish today for tomorrow to drive down. That'd be amazing. Price action will align with everything else and news, but you need that closure first for anything to be valid or possible here today, right? So I will wait for that to form first. As for positions during this New York session for sells, though, I would probably be interested in for buys, though. I'll probably be interested in buys above I'll say buys above 16. I rather, here's the thing, the day bias is bullish, right? So like technically we could be taking buys anywhere, but sells are an option as well for range 2 especially, and you already have a range 2 here too. So I guess you can say as for buys, you'll need a range 2. So buys will be above like 1672, buys above there, that's just a regular breakout. Or 2, you get a range 2 breakout below here, below 166.5 or 602 here. A closure below here would be valid. That's a range 2 breakout coming down towards the next support to the left hand side, which takes you down towards this range here at the 1660.295 mark, right? So this range going down here, chat, is around like a 62 pip range. It's not bad. I would love if you get a closure below. We'll be in that, but you need a closure first for that to happen. All right. But yeah, probably wait for a 1 hour count at this point, because this 1 hour looks like it's rejecting with the 30 closing above. So you need a closure below for obviously the sells here to be valid, right? But yeah, that's my ranges that I have marked up here for gold right now. It may change with the session, so I'll update you guys if it does change. But as of right now, this is what I have on my charts. This is the range I'm focused on, 166 to 1660. As for GJ, the daily today is pretty bullish. I think I believe the weekly is pretty bearish though. However, price is just creating a top wick, so we did mention how price could pop up within these levels here, which is the buys that we caught last night during London. We can possibly pop up towards here, these ranges, for the top wick, and that makes sense for the daily time frame as well, because the daily time frame is bullish today, right? If you close bullish here, there's a high chance that, okay, since we're closing bullish back above these ranges, there's a high chance you've come up to fill the next range, which is up here at the 164.500 mark. So that's my target for the day, which is basically got tapped already. For the buys. Now the question is, how can we flip for the weekly? So I would love if we can close bullish today, and then Wednesday, tomorrow, we close bearish for Thursday and Friday to drive back down to retest the lows. Because if this happens, then this is your Thursday and Friday candle, right? It's just gonna continue back down to retest the lows. But you gotta find out resistance first to form that resistance for the weekly, and we're using the day to our advantage here to find clues on how the weekly can flip. That's all we're trying to do. But yeah, technically today we're bullish on daily, so buys would be clean on a small time frame. I believe buys are above 164.415 is pretty clean today. Above there, going up towards next resistance, which is going to be looking left, probably this range to the left hand side here, chat, at like 164.763. I'm not sure how big this range is, but I think it's around, should be 35 pips here, 34, right? Yeah, 34, 35 pips here. It's not bad. Buys are going to be above there going up. Pretty clean buys. You need a closure first though, so I'll wait for that if I were you guys. And then yeah, not too bad. It's either that or maybe you might get the onion here because there's a support to the left here that we're currently rejecting off of right now. This is the range we're in, so if you're closing bullish at the support, you should come up to retest the highs, but you gotta close bullish here first in about 20 minutes here for that to happen. All right. But yeah, things are looking pretty decent today. I think things are looking a lot cleaner than they were yesterday, so I'll lock it in for you guys today. All right. But yeah, that's all I got going on right now for GJ and gold. Alrighty. But yeah, that's the day, man. My chart is blurry. You might gotta go on 720p, bro. That's probably why. Jeez. Calm before the storm. What was your London trade? It was I knew you guys gonna ask. Fuck. It was I think a lot of people caught that in the London session as well. Man, we caught it as a signal, but like people caught it with all day, obviously, right? It was just GBPJPY on a 4 hour time frame. See the 1 hour candle? That was what we mentioned. That's what we mentioned at 8 p.m. We're like, okay, well, we took buys yesterday at like I think 7 p.m. right? And then we got stopped out for 8 pips. Price just didn't drive, but then I'm like, okay, well, if price is rejecting this resistance here, it's coming down to create a bottom wick for a daily. Okay, well, just simply wait now for the 1 hour, the next 4 hour candle, right? So the next 4 hour candle was at 8, or sorry, was at 9, but we're mentioning the 4 hour candle afterwards was at 1 because that was the London session candle. So the 1 a.m. candle closed bullish above the range, created a bottom wick, and then we had a buy stop on a flip of the candle going up towards the resistance, and then that was the trade. That was it. Just 4 hour closure above. That was all. It looks pretty simple, right? That's all that was. Nothing too spectacular. It was just a 4 hour closure above bottom wick and price to drive up. That's all. Yeah. It was 53 pips. I wanted gold sells 2 last night, but I think this wick took a while to create. Yeah, it came at like 3. This top wick, because the 4 candle closed at 1 a.m. right? Or no, sorry, 1 hour closed here. What time was this move at? 12, 1, 2. Yeah, this move came at 3. It came a little late. I was already asleep by then. Not gonna lie, I don't know how long that move lasted during London because we went to bed. I just put my BE point notification on. This trade lasted. Hold on. We're into that 1. And then it came, oh wow, it came down to hover for a whole hour. Damn, and I woke up. Nice. Sheesh. What a wild day, chat. Your listing link doesn't work anymore? That's strange. I don't know why it always does that. You know what? I'm just gonna paste this link to be safe, to be honest, man, because it always does this for no reason. Yeah, boost. I think we gotta boost the server, chat. Okay, we need 2 more boosts. I think that's why we gotta boost the server. I think we gotta hit 14 boosts. We only have 12 boosts. That's probably why. Damn. People aren't boosting no more. They ain't showing love no more. I'm kidding. He doesn't got a boost. Don't worry. You guys want to for free, but no pressure to boost. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, Discord link. Yeah, that's strange, man. I don't know. Apologies. My apologies. There you go. Should work now. You're so excited for tomorrow news? I know exactly why you're excited. You're gonna have buy and sell stops, aren't you? Why are people so excited to have buy and sell stops, guys? Go to the casino and do it right now. Why you gotta do tomorrow for? Just do it right now. Just go to the casino, put it 50-50 on roulette, black or red. Actually, no, it's 49 point something, right? Because the green. But put it on back red then, 50-50, and then boom. Just do it now. Get over with now. You don't gotta do it on your account tomorrow, bro. You know. The good thing about going to casino at least and not full sending empty 5 is at least at the casino you don't get slippage. You lose your money, you lose your money. You can go negative in your account if you get slipped, especially if you get slipped 100 pips. All right, things happen. Did you ever go full margin and go because of news? Nope. No, brother. We don't I haven't taken a news trade since like 2020 or before 2020, before I started streaming. I've never taken a news trade on stream. We never trade news. The way I see it is like y'all was gonna pay the markets back eventually with news. Like, yeah, you might win today, you might lose today, but eventually you'll win, and then once you win you eventually lose. It's just like there's a lot of nuance in the conditions that goes on in the markets, man. There's a lot of slippage, there's a lot of whipsaws, like a lot can happen, and I don't want to be part of that, to be honest. Or I don't, you know. Nothing wrong with trading news though. If you trade news, feel free to trade news, you know, do what you gotta do, but I don't touch news, man. That ain't my thing. I wait for news to play out, see the numbers come out, right? See the numbers come out, and then hop on the trend. I'm a bandwagon. That's why I've been trading. Jeez, man. 6:40 in the morning. You gotta calm down, brother. Just live life. Go get some grass, you know. You'll be alright. What should I play today? How do you keep your zones so minimal? I try to just put the most relevant zones. I tried to look at the most so if I were to remark my trust up today, like I just do an MT5 here, so it's I don't got a clear train view one, but it's like so basically I try to look at the most relevant zones. Like I'm not too worried about what happens up here. It's relevant to price action. Like doesn't matter what happens here. Doesn't matter what happens here. All that matters right now is the range you're in. That's all that matters. You're trying to catch the next range. That's all you're trying to do, right? So if you look at the charts here, what do you notice? Where do you have rejections at here? All right, well, you have some rejections here. 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 So what's the level you can comfortably put a line at where you never closed above before? That's within those circles. What's the average point of those circles? Probably gonna be right here, right? You understand that if price closes above there, price may pop up towards the next range. Now, here's the thing as well. You do also have a support here, down here as well, because you have some type of rejections here. Support here, resistance, right? Support. Price is obviously struggling within the support zone. So what we can do here is say, okay, well now, price is, there is a support right around here at the 1667. This is a range we're in right now, right? This is a range you're spending time in right now. So these are the ranges I have that I'm focused on right now. So just because I have a line up here doesn't mean I'm looking at buys, because just because the day bias is or it's just because this is a range 1 still. So there's a lot more nuances aside from just drawing the support and resistance. But this line here just represents that there is a resistance here, and at this resistance, price could reject. So what I'll wait for is probably just a closure of resistance for price to come down to retest the lows. Either that or a fake out to come down to retest the lows, or just a breakup below here for price to drop down towards next support. That's about it. But yeah, like I'm not too worried about what's happening up here, because if price were to come up there, we just delete our zones and just draw it up here, right? It's relevant what happens back here, or even like up here. It's relevant. There's no need to have it marked up, because price isn't with nowhere in that zone right now. It's in the current zones of 6.6 to 6.73 here. Block? No, didn't block no one. You guys are just hearing rumors, man. The internet's a funny place, yo. And where is Wix9 today? What up, Severe King DVS going on? Yeah, yo. You guys need to take a chill pill, bro. Cause you guys be like, I don't know, man. You guys be hearing things and just like a dog, you know? It's like a dog and chicken, bro. As long as it has chicken, you don't care what the facts are. Just, yeah. Just eat it up. Yeah. You know, did you guys know that if you guys just focus on trading, things will get, your trading will get better? If that's all you focus on. Did you deposit more money? Nope. We took a trade. We took GBPJPYs during the London. I was gonna say Asian. London. London. Yeah, GJ. We took GBPJPYs twice yesterday. The first one was up here. I think it was up here, right? What time did I take the trades at? We took it at GBPJPYs, no, up here. We took it here yesterday. So we took the first buys here, and then we closed with negative, like I think 8 pips, right? So like -8 pips. We managed risk. As it broke the 1 hour lows, or as it closed below the 1 hour time frame actually, or 30. Yeah, 30 closed below. We managed risk, and then we then waited for London. Get the same buyers in London. So this is just a daily bond on wick, right, being created, I guess. And then after it flipped bullish again off the 4 hour candle, that was our entry. The 4 hour flip / the day flip. Once the 4 hour candle closed. I'm hungry, chat. I've been up since like 4:30. Woke up mad early today. Don't know why. I just woke up. I haven't woke up early in a while, and then just stayed up. Why did your weekly count look the same? What do you mean? It might be because yeah, there was a gap. Your broker might show a gap. Owanda doesn't show a gap, so I use Owanda. I'm pretty sure my weekly count is chalk too. No, never mind, it's not. Okay. Oh no, that's gold. That's weekly GJ. Yeah, it looks kind of tough too. Station man. Heard you listening to Thames music. Have you tried our tracks? Nah, yeah, I listen to a lot of times. I listen to a lot of times. I always play Thames on stream. The No Woman No Cry stuff is just as a joke, but yeah, I have a lot. I have Thames save. I have a lot of Thames save. I was kind of late on Thames though. Not gonna lie. I think yeah, I wasn't as active on music this year, the last couple of years. I used to be a lot more active. I used to care a lot more, but I just listen to whatever now. Still listen to music though, but used to be a lot more engaged. I like your iPhone. I mean, it's honestly the same shit. It's the same shit. It's just faster, but that's because I'm upgrading from like 11, you know. I had the 11. I'm using the 13 Pro Max. Yo, don't upgrade, bro. Trust me. Just wait 2 years, yo. The thing I do is like I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I upgrade my phone often, but not often. Like the last time I upgraded my phone was the 11. But the reason why I didn't upgrade the 11 to 12 and 13 was because 12 was, you know, the Apple upgrades, like they change the design every 2 years, right? So like I got the 10. And then I got the 11 once they changed that because they had the 10X and the 10XS. So that was 2 generations. And then I got the 11 Pro Max. And then I didn't get the 12 because not like the only thing that changed was maybe like they made the bezels bigger. I'm like, well, I just got the 11, no point. And then the 13, I didn't get the 13 because it was the same as the 12 roughly. And then I waited for the 14 to come out because I knew the 14 they're gonna change up the notch. So I like that idea, but it's honestly like I don't really find it useful to upgrade your phone every year. It's kind of pointless. Right? I mean, I don't know, but then again, you can say the same thing about like anything, you know? You can say the same thing about upgrading your GPU every year, every time they release a new GPU. Because I'm definitely gonna get the new GPU this year for sure, the 40 series. But I have a 3070, so I want to get a second PC. I also might want to get rid of my my laptop because I want to get my Mac again. Did you notice the frame rate increased per second on a phone? Yeah, I did. It increased FPS. when it comes to trading, how important is the broker and chart you use? I say it's not as important, to be honest, but just make sure you stick to one broker chart. So if you're using, for instance, Oanda, then use Oanda. If you're using Traders Domain, then use Traders Domain. Don't switch it up. Don't be like, all right, today I'm gonna use Oanda, but tomorrow I'm gonna use Traders Domain just because, right? Makes no sense. Or don't be like, oh, Traders Domain looks good right now, but I'm looking at Oanda, it looks a lot cleaner, so I'm gonna take it off of Oanda. Like whatever chart you're marking off based off of, like you want to be consistent with that chart markup. Don't crumble. Discord link's expired. It should work, I think. Is it the link in my bio or link in the thing? Which one is it? Oh yeah, yes, K. Don't forget to leave a like. Yes, chat. If you guys are in the streams right now, let's hit the like button up. Let's get to 200 likes here. 80 more. It's free, chat. It's free. Hey. Okay, well, this link's expired. Is it this one? Give us your playbook link. It's right here now. Playbook. Right here. Just sign up. I'm getting Mac next year. I was gonna wait for that too, the M2 chip. Yeah, GJ is pretty decent here, guys. Pretty decent. 4-hour flip. The only thing I will say is that it's just the 4 resistance that I'm kind of worried about. Gold here as well. Close rejecting the support to the left. Rejecting. Closing bullish at the support level. So if the daily time frame is still bullish, then you're closing bullish on the 1-hour time frame here. What could happen here? You have this decent range going up here now. May wait for a 30 closure above here though. Above 1669, 426. Because you have the 1-hour onion, you have that. You have the support form, but if you can now break this resistance, extra confirmation, extra confluence, that'd be pretty great. Probably at 30 closure though, 730. Wait, they about GC? Ooh, I don't know who that is. Not gonna lie, bro. If you're asking about a trader, I don't know a lot of traders, man. Well, I probably know of them, but I never like really click their stuff. I don't like the main, the big ones in the industry though. Oh, talking about GBPJPY. Sorry, I'm just traumatized. I mean, usually this time people are asking about mentors. GC. Let's say no, I'm traumatized, chat. GBPJPY here. You know what? This is CAD CPI. We're gonna take a look at this as well. This used to be one of my favorite pairs actually. I used to like CAD pairs. I used to trade CAD pairs. If you buy GG, good luck. Yeah, I think you'll be break even right now, right? GCAD. The daily. Oh, this is not Wanda. Let me just change this real quick. Much better. The weekly is bullish with the fact that you closed bullish last week and you have a wick to fill going up. Keeping that in the back of your mind. The daily time frame also closed bullish as well after you had some type of support or get tapped here, right? Price is bearish, came down, top support, closed bullish at support, indicating range to go back up to retest the highs. Price did that, came up, retested the highs. Now you have potential buys here on GCAD if you were to close above this 1 hour resistance to the left hand side above 1.51973. Looking left, last time you closed above, you were able to drive up as well, filling the top of the range at 1.52160. So that's your next target here. So if you're looking for buys, you just wait for a closure above this range. I think that range going up is roughly 18 pips. Damn, I thought, okay, well, yeah, 18 pip range going up. I thought it was a lot bigger than that. But that's your next resistance. And then you have more buys above there, obviously, going up towards next resistance, which is up here at the 1.52423. All right, chat. So those are your ranges here today. Well, onion gold, yeah, no, I see it. I see it now. I want to see a 30 closure above here, but yeah, the day bias is bullish today. Is this bullish though today, right? Because we don't know what's gonna happen today with this daily candle, but we're assuming it's gonna flip bullish. Even though like a higher probability, it can close bearish today, but we're assuming we can't true for what we think. We have to true for what we see, right? And what we see is the daily time frame is bullish, so this could be a bomb for a daily time frame to drive back up to retest the highs, and then create that stupid wick for the weekly. So if that's the case with the 1 hour closing bullish here, this could be a start of the daily flip. I just want to see a little closure above here in 23. Give you a breakdown NAS 100? Sure. NAS 100? Small coffee. Oh wow, that's clean. Weekly is pretty bearish. You close below this range to the left hand side here. Looking left, you could potentially be driving down here towards 11600. That's your next target that you have in mind here. As for positions, you probably want to look for, let's see, the day count today closes bullish. It closed a no top wick though, so that's interesting. It could mean that there's no range to drive up. You can also say that there is a resistance to the left hand side right here, which price did come up to tap. So you won't get a real direction in price until you're probably close to off the daily to match with the weekly, just because the daily is this was the weekly top wick, right? This daily candle. And if you close bearish today, you don't gotta worry about this bullish candle here. You can say, okay, well, we're closing bearish here at this resistance. High chance you can look to come down to retest the lows once you do close bearish, and that takes you down here towards the next range, which is these levels to the left hand side, which would match up perfectly with the weekly time frame, right? That flip. The day target, or the weekly target. So wait for that daily candle close today, and tomorrow should be a cleaner day. However, if you really want to trade today, the most probable setup today, technically we're still bullish on the daily. That'll probably just be a buys above potential buys above here, 1.1926. Buys above here going up to retest the highs there, which is the top of the range. Range going up is roughly 80 pips, not bad. But you have a support to the left hand side right here at 1.880. So this is range you're in. But once you close above here, buy should be pretty clean going up, right? I'll wait for that, right, you guys? Now it's 100. Wait. This is range 1. Maybe buys above here actually. Let's see. If you get like a second range form here, potential buys above that level that I had marked up originally, but as of right now, I guess you can say 11992 would be more ideal, because if you get something like this would be valid here. The price were to drive up here towards top of the range, and then let's say it closes bearish at the resistance, then yeah, next candle comes up to break the highs or close bullish at the support, you can take buys going up, because that's your next range formed, right? This is your range right now. This is your support, resistance. This is your next range. If it were to form that, and then you can take buys above there. As of right now, it's gonna be just buys above 11962. Some of y'all need to learn a word, please and thank you. Hey, that's like a field. That's like a field. A field. Like, it's like you're feeding. These just. It's reckless, man. It's reckless. This industry has no manners at all. No manners. Like a war. Well, then again, there are a lot of Americans in the chat. You know, there's not a lot of Canadians, so they're not always gonna say thank you. Now, what happened in this trade? Did you break even? Close half and break even, right? Looking for revenge. All summer 16. Can you do the tutorial how to use a spreadsheet? You know, I've actually had a lot of people ask that question, so I might as well just do one, to be honest, man. There's a lot of people are asking that question. How do we in a spreadsheet? So yeah, I'll look into that. But by yeah, you receive both. The stream, off stream, London Asian, all of that. Yeah, you receive all of them. What, you don't want to wash your shoes no more? You just want to take sinless now or what? Yo, next year I'm looking to add this one, but for the signal channel. I should have done this year, man. I don't know why we have two separate sheets. It should be the same sheet, but one for the streams and one for the signals. Because we can actually keep track of off-stream stats as well. That'd be very helpful. Because we take double the amount of trades we do on stream, right? Because you have Asia and London. US30? Yes. Yeah, 1 hour closure buffer for GCAD before I delete the chart. If you guys were looking to copy it, copy the idea. All right, US30 here. Nice. Weekly nice top wick starting to reflip bearish. The weekly target this week is 29,840. Yeah, actually 884. Pretty nice. As for positions today though, we're pretty bullish on the daily. One thing I could say is that you are at this resistance and you are rejecting, and it did have no top wick yesterday too, so that's a key. But again, similar situation as NAS 100. You don't know what's gonna happen today until you actually close bearish on the daily. So you have 10 hours left. Depending on how you close today, tomorrow's candle should follow through with that, because you can easily still flip bullish down the daily, right? Technically, we are bullish today, so buys would be above. Wow, this looks exactly. This is NAS 100 basically. Buys would technically be above. What do I have it as? Above here for range 2. Yeah, I had it above here for range 2. You could get a range 2 earlier, but as of right now, buys are going to be above these ranges to the left hand side, and then you can say, since this is a range 2 breakout, sells would be valid if it closes below here. If you close below 30.864, sells would be valid going down towards the next support, which is going to be down here at 30.726. That range going down is not bad. It's like around 1300 point range, so 130 pip range going down off of 30. I'll probably wait for a closure if I were you guys. Pretty clean sells. All right. yeah, I don't know, like I don't really, like, no matter how pressed I get or whatever, like I would never block Blocking is like, there's no point in blocking. They're just gonna, it's gonna be worse for you, bro. There's mute. You just mute them. A block, it's like, I don't know.
Never thought I'd be talking from this perspective, but I'm not really sure what else you expected when the higher ups have all come together as a collective.
What's up, Shams? What up, Shams? Yeah, block is satisfaction. Yeah, block shows that you actually care. You don't want to act like you care. I already take US30 trades to put on the list. No, I've traded US30 before in the past, but I haven't taken a trade on US30 since like 2019, 2020. It's been or 2020. It's been like 2 years almost since I've taken a US30 trade. Ooh, gold. Nice bottom wick on 30. 30 closes bearish though, so you gotta break the highs here. Or no, 15 closes bearish. Sorry, 30 closes in about 13 minutes here. If the 30 closes above chat, I wouldn't mind taking sell buys on off of gold here. So you have a nice 20 pip range going up. Ain't bad. Wicks. The Lion King is here. Mods, get him out. What's the deal?
What's the deal?
Yo, Wicks, what up?
What up?
Good morning.
Good in the morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
How
Yeah.
you doing?
Yeah, you see what I sent you on iMessage?
What, a 50 pip trade?
No. Don't read it. Don't read it. Don't read it. But just check what I sent you. Don't read it out loud or anything. But check what I sent you on iMessage. Check the chat phone. Don't read it, cause you know. It's so crazy. Crazy out here. Stay safe, kids. Or ladies and gents. You guys are all older than me. Oh no, sorry. You guys are all older than me. I'm the probably youngest of all you guys here in chat. I'm the kid here. I'm the kid here. You're 17? Hey, pray for Nuke, man. I don't know where Nuke is. It's been a while since I've even. I don't think he's. I don't know. Obviously, I haven't heard from him in a while. It's been like almost a couple months now. You're the kid Wicks the Ancient. Oh, you might get closures here, guys. How much was that wick fill there? Oh, 15. Nice. Nice. Yeah, I was looking at the 1 hour onion initially. I just wanted to get an extra confirmation, which is a 30 close here. We kind of had a decent day already, so I want to be extra cautious on obviously the next trades, but I want to wait for everything to align perfectly. So in this case, it's going to be a 30 closure here. Daily could flip. Daily could flip. Did the forward candle close at support chat? Where did the 4H close? I want to see where this is right now. Because reject. No, it closed below. Interesting. If the 4 closed below, that could take over these other candles to the right here, or to the left there. Because if you look left, if the 4 candle closed below here, this next 4 candle should continue down. This could just be a 4 out top wick. Damn. If that's the case, then this could be a fake out. I might stay out. I might stay away from these buys here, chat, off of this third closure actually, because the 4 candle here is still open, right? And this can easily be a top way for price to drive down. If I was trying to look back and see if it closed out support, because if it closed out support, then that's a different story. But it closed below the ranges. So what could happen here is you could get a range 1 breakout, which is gonna be the next 1 hour candle on gold. This thing comes down, those closes below here, it should continue down and retest the lows. Like, this is what you would expect. This is what I would want. That's just the 4 out top wick here, right? Because if it's not a range 2, you'll break out above 6-7-3 and you continue up. But we'll see. We'll see what happens once you break above. Because if you break up and you retest the support, but you don't break below, you should be valid. But if you do break the lows, then it high chance could be a fake out. So we're gonna wait for that actually. Put for now though, sells below here. Fake out. It's range 1, right? Yo, Wix.
Yo.
Quiet there. What?
I don't know. Guy's an idiot.
Sipping on drinks. Sipping drink. Where'd you send it? Trust your stream? Is it this one? Please check my chart I've shared. Is this you? Or oh no, this is you. What did you send here? You sent gold buys off 1. Taking off a 30-minute candle, close above the range. Initial stop loss was 28 pips. Close half at minus 21 pips. Should have closed earlier. Remaining half got full stops. Yeah, so you're asking what happened here? It looks pretty clean. It looks like what I have here is, I gotta go on my chart real quick and see what zones these are, because like there may what could have stopped price there was they didn't close above this zone to the left. That could have been the reason as well. What time frame was taken at? This was taken at 30 or no 1. Is this Eastern? UTC +5? What time is it for me? -4. Let me just check this real quick. I got you. This thing out 3 a.m. Yeah, you see, the issue here was the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame was still bearish here. It was just creating a top wick for the previous 4-hour candle. That was it. Creating a top wick. Once you create a top wick, it flipped bearish. So what's happening there is happening right now. It once looked bullish, right? Exactly like this. It could just be a top wick, because at any given point, you can just look to flip bearish and drive down. This is just a 4-hour top wick. So this is literally the same thing that happened last night. So don't get caught in it again, right? That's why range 1, range 2 is very crucial, very key. And looking at the higher time frame is very key, because that's what happened then. It was just a top wick for the 4H. And also the 1 hour, there was a resistance here though, right here, right there. It closed right at it for me at least. So the 1 hour was still respecting. It's not bad either. I like the idea. I get the idea. It's a closure above. You have clean traffic. It's a good trade. It's just you gotta be a bit more aware of the higher time frame, but it's a good trade, man. It's not bad. It's like nothing's really wrong with it. Just take advantage of the higher time for next time. That's it. This over here is a candle closure above for buys off of GJ15. Ooh. I mean, it played out. Wait, was it? Yeah, sorry. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, the higher time frame was overall bullish today. The daily and 4 hour all bullish. Yeah, pretty clean. You just anticipated the support to be formed. I would wait personally for onions. I usually wait for 30-minute time frame closures for onions. 30s or 1 hour closures, but I think we would have had the same entries, right? You had an entry over here. If I were to wait for a 30, I would have had it over here, a little later than you. But yeah, not bad though. Pretty good chart. Pretty good trade. Sell taken on the 1 hour candle, close, made a resistance on the 1 hour, stop loss above consolidation 15. Oh, that's a pretty tough stops. I would have had it on the previous 1 hour highs. I guess that would have been a bit too wide, right? Close partially at 10 pips, move stops to break even, then close partially at 15 pips, remaining at 25. Nice. Yo, somebody asked why we didn't close half on this trade last night, but we don't always close half. Right? I always told you guys that. Like, we don't always close half at 10. We don't always close half. Sometimes we let things run. TP or stops. Or break even. Right? That's what we did last night. 5 stops. Break even. And then just TP. And what are onions? Exclamation point onion in chat. Yeah, there you go. Nightbot got it. Chat, keep saying your losses in. I want to see losses here, man. Do you aware if the weekly is different from the daily buys? Nope. Because you have to understand what the daily is doing for the weekly to make sense. Right? This is why I say, John Stewart, you have to pay attention to what I say in the morning because it's very key. I know it sounds like I'm rambling all the time, but pay close attention. Because I mentioned, look at the weekly. It's bearish, right? The daily today is bullish. Right? So you're asking, does it bother me? Not really, because all you need for the day to do today is close bearish. You need this candle to close bearish here for the onion, because then tomorrow's candle will likely drive down. But the thing about today's candle is it's at an indecision level. It's just at resistance. It's a bullish candle at resistance. You have no direction at all in price. It can drive up, it can drive down. Who knows? But once you close today's candle, tomorrow will be a much easier day for gold, because then tomorrow you have direction to drive down or drive up if it breaks above. Right? So it's not that we're worried. It's just that we know what needs to happen for the weekly to make sense. In this case, you know, the weekly, the daily doesn't line up just yet. Let's close Doji and then yeah, we're if you close Doji again, you're looking at stretch it to Thursday, Friday for positions. Which doesn't mean you can't take positions today. You definitely can still take positions today. There's ranges today, don't worry. But it's just it's gonna be very tough here. Hey, you have that 30. I wanted to close above for the fake out, but if it closes below, you can still get an onion. This link don't work on YouTube description. Oh, okay, that's what doesn't work on. All right, bet I'll change it, Freeman. Discord. There you go. Should work now. Try that. I'm finna call. Don't feel good. Oh damn, you sick. All right, have a good have some good rest. Take care, K. I think we're waiting for FOMC. Don't think C, but if what you're saying is correct, I mean that matches with price action today too, right? You close bearish on the daily, tomorrow you drop down to retest the lows. So it's basically what you're saying by in technical form, right? You're saying we may pull back, or until they release numbers tomorrow to continue back down, which I assume is what's happening as well. So all we need now is for price action to align. If you close bearish today, then yeah, tomorrow we'll align perfectly, coming down to retest the lows. Because the weekly is still bearish. Weekly is bearish straight down towards 1630. So how would that make sense? Like how is that gonna align with price action news tomorrow? Everything starts off with technicals, and then you can add price action on, or you can add fundamentals on afterwards. Yo, Wick, you here? Guess not. What's your sleep schedule like? Mine's all over the place. It depends. It depends on the markets, really. Like I slept last night, but thinking about last night that the trade was taking pretty early. It was taking at 1 a.m. So I went to bed at 1. I don't know, sometimes I stay up and then I take naps during the day. It depends though, but I haven't really been napping recently. I've been up all day, been working. You watch the Queen's funeral? Yeah, no, I saw on YouTube all day though. I watched like maybe a couple seconds of it, but I wasn't too interested. Not gonna lie. I was on Twitch. I had other things I wanted to watch, not gonna lie. No offense to the Queen, but I didn't want to watch that. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't want to watch that. Not gonna lie. You guys watched it? Who watched it yesterday? Yo, I don't know, man. Like that's good for me to go to sleep with. Like I don't know, man. That wasn't for me. That's like melatonin for me right there. Melatonin. You know? But yes, take melatonin to go to bed. I stopped taking melatonin. I don't really take this. Like when I first, like I think maybe last year I took it a lot, but I stopped taking this. It's not really it just didn't make me feel good for some reason. It tastes good though. This brand, it tastes good. Nature's Bounty. Not sponsored, but tastes pretty good. I can eat like candy if I want to, but obviously not. Let's do a challenge. Let's take melatonin and stream all 24 hours and see what happens here. All right, man. Gold. Are you gonna close? Yeah. So what happened in gold here? This thing closed bearish, right? Or bullish, respecting resistance. So if you could close bearish now, this would be amazing. You can come down to retest the lows and fill the next ranges here to the left hand side. This would be perfect. Do have a support at 6.6, so be aware of that. But I want to see this close bearish here. I want to see a nice top wick and then close bearish, and then the next 30-minute candle / 1 hour candle at 8 a.m. would be perfect. Or maybe just a 1 hour closure below the range. Keep it simple, right? That'd be great as well. Because right now, if you look at price action chat, what's happening right here is what happened to the left hand side right here as well. We're in the same boat as this. Remember this happened? This is happening as well right here. This thing closed bullish. Creating what? Support. Creating what? Resistance. What do you need? Resistance to confirm, right? What do you have here? Support. Resistance. What's this bearish candle? If it closes bearish, that's resistance confirmed. So the next candle should likely drive down. The same thing should happen here. Drive down with the 4 hour time frame. Going to 4H. 4H is bearish. Looking left, that was the top we're going to do on the 4 hour time frame. This 4 candle drives down towards 1662 today. No problem. Right? That's your next support to the left on the 4 hour time frame. That's just price action. That's what it shows. This is perfect. Perfecto. I think any closure below 6.7 would be perfect here then. Hey, where's Wix? Oh, he's here. Oh, Wix been on mute the whole time.
Yo.
What's the deal?
No deal. Same shit, different toilet seat.
Really the same shit, different toilet seat today.
Yeah. Really is.
Damn. Yo, Wix looked decent yesterday, chat. You guys tuned to Asian session stream yesterday? This guy was built like Arnold Schwarzenegger. I'm surprised I even could pronounce his name. But
Surprised you didn't get banned saying that.
why? Yeah, see this?
What other thing?
Yo, this guy like. Yeah, this is a Wix not Asian session. This is why he trades Asian only and not NY. Look at Wix NY session. Looks nothing like this.
I'm wearing fucking big ass
Nah,
baggy ass clothes.
This is the Wix time we have at home. This is the Wix 9. This is the real Wix 9. This is the verified on IG. This is the verified. This is the one we have at home, bro. Alright, bro.
It's weird. It's a weird looking picture.
If they want beefy, send Wix. Yes, sir. Wix 9!
Wix on tram. No, Wix takes no fucking testosterone. Wix doesn't take any fucking steroids.
Yeah. That's what they all say. Wix B.
Wix is all natural.
Just got Wix B.
Bro, if I took steroids, you know how fucking huge I would be with the amount of work I put in at the gym? Like, I put in a lot. I go to the gym, I put in work. I don't fucking... I don't fuck around at the gym.
Yeah, remember that time you told me how you took a break from the gym?
I
For
don't take breaks from the gym.
yeah, you told me you took a break for 3 months because you didn't feel like going or something.
No, something must have happened.
Well, yeah, something happened for you not to go for 3 months, and you're like, I'm like, what made you go again? I looked at my friends. I just went one day again. But you said you had a bad day. You had a bad stretch at one point, and you didn't want to go.
Oh, something might have happened, yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck. I'm going. Like, I don't feel good. I feel like shit. I'm sick. Got a fever. I go to the gym. I don't give a fuck.
I wish I had that same. That's like me with streaming.
The only thing that makes me feel better is being at the gym. Like, if like I'm stressed the fuck out, which is not too often, but when I am, like, I like to disappear to the gym.
What was the
Roll
longest
it.
you spent in the gym? Like you ever overworked yourself at the gym?
What gym? La Fitness? No, I don't go to La Fitness.
Love Fitness. LA Fitness, bro. Love Fitness. Sheesh.
We don't
Sheesh.
do La Fitness.
Yo, these gold 4 candles are clean. We got a long 19 minutes, chat. Oh, brother. Sheesh.
Yo, I fucking smacked London.
You did?
Yeah.
Or just knock some Z's?
No, I smacked 70 pips on gold.
You caught gold? I caught GJ. You didn't tell me about
Yeah.
gold?
Yeah, I caught sells on gold.
You didn't tell me about it, London. I caught 53 on GJ.
I saw and I was so pissed because I thought I was gonna fucking shove it in your face, be like, "Ha, bitch, cut
No, but
70 on gold."
thing
what
is
did you
like,
do?"
I was looking,
And he caught 50
I was
on
looking to
GJ.
enter gold as well, but it came at 3 a.m. I wasn't up at 3 a.m.
I was up for maybe 10 minutes.
My plan was to take GJ buys and gold sells for London, but it just
Yeah.
came a little too late
Yeah.
for me.
Get those gold sells, big.
Yeah, the 4 account flip, right? Or what?
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's so clean. Because you said last night on stream, and I attempted after stream too. I'm like, this thing, same exact candle, same exact mirror here.
Yeah. That's exactly it right there.
That's it.
I said it on stream. We're gonna mirror that whole candle if they close like this.
And the weekly is bearish, right? So this could be a top wick. Hey, you guys like that analysis, by the way, on gold there? The gold sells just now? This right here and this, comparing the resistance. We avoid buys, right?
Nice. Wicks, you work out high. The only way I work out, I always smoke J or 2 as I'm driving to the gym. Matter of fact, I was talking to Don the other day. I was driving to the gym. He's like, "What you doing?" I'm like, "Driving to the gym." He's like, "Eh?" And smoking a J. He's like, "Hold on, you smoking and driving?" People better get off the damn road.
I stopped doing coffee or caffeine the other day.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I'm 3 weeks caffeine free. What's the demon? Yeah.
Wick, can you get in trouble for smoking and driving? Yeah, of course. That's a DUI.
Yeah, it's a DUI. I bet
Smoke
there's a
smoke
lot of
after the
that.
gym?
There's probably a lot of DUIs in Miami, right? A shit ton.
No, I'm definitely just in the tourist areas though.
Oh,
Yeah,
with the
like-
Lambos.
I know the back streets. Drive hard, get a DUI. Smoke after the gym. Yeah, I smoke that on my way to the gym, and when I walk out the gym, as I get in the car and I'm making my protein shake, I'm rolling a joint with the other hand.
Bro, the police is watching right now like this.
I don't give a fuck. And what?
This is how the police is watching right now. You guys know what I'm talking about?
No.
Chat,
knowing that they
enter in
can't-
the chat.
knowing
Enter
that
this
they
in the
can't
chat.
do shit.
They're like,
Look me up in the phone book. My last name starts with 9, right? Police, Mr. Policeman.
this map works different. Any cops in here? Open up. There, yeah. You guys know what I was talking about. I drew it wrong, I guess.
What'd you draw? Frog?
Look at the chat. That's what they be looking at you. And the police be like,
Huh?
"This link not working? What do you mean? From where though? Like, from where is it not working from? I gotta fix it. YouTube, from the Instagram, like from where? You have to tell me. I asked you guys this earlier, you guys didn't tell me. So it's still a problem. I gotta fix it. Where is it not working from, Hamza? YouTube link in the description. But didn't I just fix it? Hold on.
You gotta be driving crazy to get a DUF. I know, right? My ass be crawling 3 miles an hour.
Goodness it.
You know, chat. I don't know if
Right
I
here.
told you
It
this.
works. It works.
I don't know if I told you this, but
Refresh.
marijuana is stored in your fat cells, right? When you smoke, it's gets stored in your fat cells. And then what happens to those fat cells when you go to the gym? You're burning them, right? If so facto, you're burning marijuana, which means you get higher if you smoke before you go to the gym and then work out. Put that in your pipe and smoke it.
Whatever happened to the friendly family Wix on stream?
I love everybody.
I know damn well Wix has been waiting his whole life to say that. This guy's been waiting his whole entire life to defend himself. Hey, I'm not gonna lie though. We'd have every excuse in the book. Not every excuse, but they have every answer in the book as to why it's not bad. No matter, like, you can go to any pothead out there, they will tell you anything, just to make it, just to, you know, just to prove to you that it's okay.
Okay. Who's got some time to kill?
We have 13 minutes to kill here.
Okay. Benefits of smoking marijuana, chapter 1.
All right, bro. I'm gonna be back. Well, chat, I'm not. Hey, chat, I'm not saying what he's saying is not facts. I'm just saying this is that's usually what happens. Never said it wasn't facts though. Wix knows.
Don, you need to read. They brainwashed you about weed. No, they didn't brain. Don's on our side.
What? I'm an angel.
Why do you think Don keeps leaving? We got that peace pipe just fucking lit behind the computer. Wix, how long have you been smoking? Non-stop for the last 17 years. That same joint is still lit. Bring me your brush. Okay. I'll be smoking that GJPY. Oh yeah, drop a like. I forgot. Changing your hair anytime? I don't think I can change it. I'm kind of stuck with this kind of hair. Like if I could, I'd be blonde and, you know, straight hair. Instead, I got hair like a fucking Brillo. Can't do much. The only thing I can do with my hair is probably fucking turn into Marge Simpson. Do this. Where does nicotine get stored, Wix9? I don't know. I don't smoke cigarettes. But I do have a one of these. I am. Raffle time? No, that's not it. That's not the time it is. Got the raw sweater on. Got the raw tray. Oh, they said hi to you. You want to say hi? Wave. Wave.
Fuck, I'm on mute.
Wave. Do the wave. Do the wave. Let's go. No, her. She don't want to wave. She don't want to do the wave. Break it down, GJ.
Yeah. So someone's I was on mute. Someone said looks like gold move after 10. Not quite. Because you can still move it after the next 10 minutes here, right? You can still move it to the next 10 minutes here. You have 10 minutes left. You can still close bearish, right? Below the range. 8 trades until you win. What you mean? Are you new to the streams? We can go days where we take 10 trades. Like, I don't know who you watch, but we don't have this thing where we go by 1-2 trades a day. Like we stopped. I think that's something more so for a lot of new traders. But like I've made a video on this a couple days ago too. Where is it? Price
Fucking
action.
ridiculous. How are you gonna cap yourself at 2 trades? Whoever says that is a fucking imbecile.
Price action decides if you take a trade, right? It says like you can go days like like yesterday, for instance, we took 1 trade yesterday. Like we took 1 trade yesterday. The day before I took 0 trades. But like you can go days where we take 10 trades, but you can also go days where you take 0 trades. It comes down to price action, right? Obviously, we know when there's time to take a trade. We know when there's a time not to take a trade. It comes down to just the volume and the way structure is formed on price action. So that decides it for us. It's not. There's no like rule for me. Like I need to stick to a certain amount of trades a day. So. But this guy wakes. Yeah, because like the whole like 1-2 trades thing, I get it. It's definitely great for like a lot of new traders because they're working their discipline. But once you're disciplined, like you know when there's time to trade, you know when there's a time not to trade. Because once you're disciplined, you're not just chasing money. You're not trading just for money. You're trading because you understand the way price moves, right? Price action. You understand when price to move, how price to move. You're not just taking trades, just take trades blindly. So when the whole 1-2 trades thing is good for people who are just starting off in the industry, and they're just trying to make a buck. They're trying to make money. They have no limit. It's just like, oh, when can I make? When's the next time I can make some money here? Like that's all they're thinking about. They're not thinking about when's my opportunity gonna come from my sample size data, right? So it's a little different. That's why I stopped preaching as much because like I don't really go by that.
How many times have you seen your position set up and you didn't take it because you're trying to follow some guru that's told you, nah, you got to cap your trades? And then that trade has gone by in your direction, your breakdown, done everything it was supposed to do, and now you're sitting there pissed off because you didn't take it, so then you take the next opportunity, which wasn't as good as the first one that you initially... But now, because you missed the first one, you're taking this one because you have FOMO. Like, don't take opportunities because you missed yours. Just don't miss yours. So... But for newer traders, yeah, it's overall, the less time you spend in the market, the less, exposed to risk you are. So technically, the less time the more time it would take you to lose your account. You'll hold on to your account for longer. But that doesn't mean you're going to be profitable, But if you are profitable and you have your positions, why would you miss them on purpose?
Yep. like I said, price action like tells you if you're gonna take a position or not. Not you, right? You understand that for yourself. Price action does. If it's clean, it's clean. If it's not clean, it's not clean. If you're profit for a day and it's clean, then okay, stay out. But if you're taking 2 losses in a day, okay, yeah, stay out. Like, I have rules set for myself too, but it's not always like the 1 or 2% trade per day thing. Here's the issue as well. You guys are trying to tell. It's like you guys are trying to tell. You guys are going on based on someone else's strategy, and trying to tell someone else how to do something a certain way. It's like those rules only apply to that person. At the end of the day, they're both doing different things. Oh, yo, Kieran, do you know that Kid Cudi concert, bro? You went to that Kid Cudi concert, right? That concert was lit. That concert was one of my favorite concerts I've ever been to. Maybe the Cardi one in 2017. The Playboy Cardi one was a lot better for me, but this is the closest it's been. Or maybe the Kanye one in 2016. I don't know, but that Cardi one was up there for sure. You told me you went, right? It was lit.
Wix is like the modern Alan Watts, the Zen master. You know who's the modern Alan Watts? Phil Jackson.
Oh, Jackson.
Phil Jackson. You ever seen The Last Dance?
Yeah, I did. The coach from the Chicago. Yeah, the Bulls. Yeah.
90. Yeah, Phil J. He was like a modern Alan Watts, like a Zen master.
I love
He
Phil
kept
Jackson.
all those egos in check, right? Like if we had a Phil Jackson on this stream, all in Forex, all those egos would be gone. Like all the Forex traders would be trading together. Instead, we don't have a Phil Jackson. We have a fucking Don Nelson.
So let's be the Phil Jacksons,
Forex.
bro. Jackson,
No,
Jordan,
we
Game
can
6.
No, we're more of the Jordan. Of this crowd, not the Jackson.
Well, let's be the Phil Jacksons. Because this industry is way too mixed up, man. Way too mixed up. This industry's
Too many egos.
This industry's priorities aren't straight. I think this industry is so like Marcus. We talk about it every day. This industry is so far back, bro. It's so far back. Just the head of the industry is just so far back, bro. So
Back
far
behind
behind
other industries, you mean?
Yeah, like in the way things are done. It's just,
Things are done, yeah.
This is
And
the-
in its day-to-day activities, this industry is fucking
so
lacking.
lame. So lame. This is lame.
Like, who the hell would want their kids to be a part of this? Right?
And I don't know. It's just so far behind, and it's just people say they want to help each other out and they want to give free value, and they're just not. You know, everyone just really trying to market themselves really kind of cringe about.
No, our kids are gonna be talking about us like.
Imagine.
Imagine this thing blows up and like, because this is only like really the beginning. Like, Dad, I heard you're the OG of Forex. I heard you used to beef with an Indian guy.
Heal the world. What's that?
Where you going? I'm not done brushing your hair. Come back.
Oh my gosh, this song? I know a song. You gotta listen to the song. Yeah. Yeah, you gotta listen to the song. Heal the world. Heal the industry,
Oh, yeah.
bro. Shout out MJ. Yeah.
Turn on Black Eyed Peas.
By the
Black
way,
Eyed Peas.
Michael Jackson sang on his mic. Earlier.
Yo, Black Eyed Peas, where's the love? Who's Pakistani? What you talking about, Willis? Don's black and ease.
I don't know. Wix is saying right now in chat. I'm just waiting for a closure above the Ranger. You have this candle that just closed there. Right at resistance here. So close right at resistance. There's really no buys just yet. You need a closure above for buys, obviously. And with the weighted 1 hour close, it closed right at resistance. So again, we're right now at an indecision zone. Price does not know what it wants to do here. What we do know is that there is a resistance here, and you need a bearish closure here. So once you get a bearish closure, you can look to come down to retest the lows. But you need that closure first, right? You need that closure before you get actual confirmation that the resistance is formed. Because right now, you don't know what's going to happen here. You can just reject. You can drive up. Who knows? But once you do close bearish here, you have a confirmed resistance, and you can look to tick sales coming back down. So this may not come just yet. Or what can happen is you can get a 1 hour seller replay, which isn't too bad. But I'll prefer to wait for a third bearish closure, or 2, a 1 hour bearish closure. May come at 9, may come at 8:30. We gotta see how 8:30 looks, right? I'll wait for that.
You say you prefer gold over GJ?
Yeah, I do. I prefer gold sales today over GJ.
Come down a lot. It's kind of indicated that the weekly's coming down, right?
Yeah.
That was the top wick. It gave us that indication that we were waiting for. Remember, we discussed this Sunday, Monday, that's Tuesday. You were on it for Asian session on Sunday for that half hour. That was a big reason why we came on.
Oh, a weekly, right?
Yeah, to talk about the daily for Monday and the weekly actually flipping bearish after the daily was bull. And that's exactly what's happening.
You can get the 1 hour seller replay here. There's a lot of resistance here, or pretty strong resistance here. Not a lot. There's a pretty strong resistance here.
Like last night was a big reason of why, like I was preaching, watch the daily, the relationship of the daily and the weekly flip. Like if you were paying attention, you would have taken 100 pips last night overnight on gold.
Well, if you're awake, if you
were awake during the Asian session, or if you were paying attention, because during Asian session on Sunday, because it was exactly what we discussed, and we got our indication. And most of the people are awake. They're just they're not in North America. A lot of people, especially Asian session gang.
Wix caught 100. I didn't catch it.
I took 70. I took 71.
I was anticipating the 4 hour candle, but it came at 3 a.m. I went to bed at 1. I just took GJ because it came out right at 1 GJ, right? Buy stops.
Yeah, I was kind of tight when I saw him. And then you had buy stops. I was sleeping already.
And there was no closures too, which is perfect. No half, nothing. Just be patient, chat. You get paid eventually. You don't want to, because like think about it. Here's what makes the difference between being a profit trader and a non-profit trader. Person one, right? Person A would have taken that loss on Friday, the 10K loss, and they would have spent Sunday or the rest of Friday. They would have spent the rest of Friday taking more trades to revenge that loss, and then taking trades in between. So Sunday, Monday. Person B would have just waited for the next opportunity, right? It's just a 10K loss on Friday. They would have waited for the next opportunity, which happened to come the last time during London, and then they would have made back their losses by now already. A person A is now drowning. Is now they're just all over the place. They've messed up their psychology. They messed up their account, right? They doubled the losses, maybe even they dug themselves in a deeper hole. All you have to do is just wait patiently. It may be hard. It may sound hard sometimes, especially because I know it doesn't feel the greatest in the world to take losses and be negative for a day, negative for the week. You're just biting your nails. Like fuck, I wanna just see blue. I know how that feels. Trust me. But if you just wait, eventually it will be fine. So yeah, be the B trader, don't be the A trader.
Person A is questioning everything in life right now,
Person A is like,
and still is still not sure about what strategy to use or what works.
and like they're probably looking back like, oh wow, because like think about it, if they spent Friday revenge trading and they spent Monday revenge trading, and they would have seen this move today, they would have been like, wow, if I just wait for this trade, I would have been up. So now they're thinking, wow, so I missed that move too. Now I gotta revenge this back to make that. You know, it's just a cycle. It's just a loophole you're putting yourself into. You wanna be able to stop and just break out of that loophole. This is you. Around you is over trading. Over leverage. You know? What else is there? Revenge. Fear. Have all these things surrounding you. You gotta keep yourself in the bubble. We did manage us pretty well last night though for Asian. I will say it was 8 pips instead of initially would have been 24 pips, right? On FOREX too. So why? Enough of that. Percentage of chatting. Yeah, someone earlier was like, Don, take a fucking trade already. How to overcome that mentality? Create a playbook. I know you don't want to hear this all the time, but create a playbook, man. Create a playbook for yourself. Once you have a playbook, this is all you look for. This is all you do. Person A will have taken round trades in between. Person B would have waited for the next setup to come to them. Attempt number 1 would have been during GJ, during Asian last night. Attempt number 2 would have been London. Same positions though. When I buy close below 170, this is 70.500. Because that's a range once though. That's a range 1, and that was where I wanted to fake out to occur, which it almost did. It came up top resistance, but we didn't close above for the fake up. But there's still the onion play here that formed.
You ever go through the revenge over leverage phase or always had your discipline down? No, everyone goes through that phase. No, if you're new to the markets, you don't know what the fuck discipline is.
Like, yo, you just go crazy. You just go full send.
Markets like behave, and you're like, fuck you, market, I got this. And then you're like, at the end of the day, you're like,
at the end of the day, you're on YouTube searching up best FOREX mentor.
There comes a time where you're not even gonna notice how it happens, but eventually your discipline is gonna take over like second nature. You're not even gonna see that. You're not even gonna understand that. Oh, you're not chasing the next trade. You're just gonna see. You're gonna take a trade. But whatever happens to it, win, loss, it's gonna be your position, and then you're gonna forget about it. You're not even thinking about, oh shit, I lost it, now I need to make money back, or I won, let's keep it going, like, oh, I'm the best. It just, over time, it's such a routine of like taking a trade and not taking the next one based on this previous one, just forgetting about it, having a short memory, that like you're not gonna sit there worry about shit. Oh, I can't revenge trade here on this specific position or in that position. It's just gonna be second nature.
Get it close below. You may get it here. You may get it here. Give it like You have a 15 candle closing up here in about 5 minutes here, which is a COMEX candle as well. You could get a COMEX entry, potentially. Looking left, you could mirror this range to the left-hand side right around here. It's not too bad. Over here, chat. To mirror this candle to the left. Let's see. I want to see this close below 6.6 here.
Just looking for that belt.
Hey, is it you gotta drive yet? Are you gonna drive today or no?
Yeah, I gotta drive.
Oh darn.
Yeah, God forbid I bumped into the dude that thought he was Wix yesterday. And he was also driving reckless.
You about to show the real Wix?
Like, yo, like the railroad crossing closed and he still went around the things, you know,
Yes, how railroads in Miami?
Yeah, I go over 2 railroad crossings on my way to take the kids to school. 2 of them, separate ones, different railroads. And that guy started like doing all that around the railroad, and I was like, yo, that's fucking copywritten. You can't do that. I have a patent on that move. Fucker. We pulled up next to him as he was like, you know, on the light. My kids are like looking at him, giving him the L. I'm like, don't do that, kids. Dad's gonna have to fight him next. He's like, what you looking at? I was like, I just wanted to show my kids what a clown looks like because we didn't get a chance to go to the circus. He got pissed. My kids are laughing. Wix, can you fight? No, but I'll run the fuck out of a marathon.
How much did you start? How much you down? This
Leave
month.
me in the streets and test me.
This month we are we're break even this month. I'm break even this month basically, or you can say I'm up $1,000, but pretty much break even. Oh wait, you guys can't see it at the bottom. My bad. I hate how you gotta stretch this, man. MT5 sucks, man. MT5 really sucks. Terrible.
What you mean you can't stretch it?
I can't, but it's just terrible, bro. This thing is terrible. Like terrible, so bad, bro. Like look at this.
That's how big my chart was when I had the indicator.
Holy shoot! Hold on. Jeez. Yeah, there we go. I'm break even, pretty much. I'm pretty much break even for the month, right now. Pretty much break even. Pretty much, or up $1,000. Pretty much break even, though. I wouldn't really count that as anything. It's just 1 pip on a 20 lot, or 5 pips on 20 lot. What's our account says? You just seen it. Oh yeah, commissions. Yeah, commissions I'll be. I'm pretty much breaking. Yeah, or now 450. Which is what, 2 pips? Not bad. Alright, so this 15 is gonna close bearish here in about 50 seconds, looks like it. And with this 15 closing bearish here, yeah, the call must open in about 5 minutes here. So we are closing bearish here. You would expect this next 15 candle here to probably close right at resistance, or to respect the previous 15 to drive down to fill the wick. That's what you're expecting here on the 15, right? So that's what you're expecting. I mean, COMEX should be pretty interesting. Again, I'm probably gonna wait for 8:30 here. 8:30 is where I'll take positions, because we don't trade COMEX. We're just backtesting it, sample sizing it for the past 6 months or 7-8 months. But next year we'll be looking for take positions. But this is just part of our homework every day to sample size the COMEX candle. All right. But yeah, you do have a 15 closure here, so I would expect the next 15 to just pop down for the wick with the COMEX open in 5 minutes. Don, what's COMEX? 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 Exclamation point, comments in the chat. It should be interesting next year though for COMEX trades. I just gotta see the cycles, man, because we've been looking at for 8 months here. I noticed that quarter 2 it was pretty clean. Quarter 1, quarter 3 was Quarter 3 got a little dried out for COMEX, but I gotta see how often it plays out, right? You can't just judge off based off of one market cycle. Some people hear one idea from someone and they're like, yeah, I'm gonna do that next. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Nah, bro. You need to see the results for yourself first before you start to take actual positions with it. You need to sample size it out first. Find out how profitable it is. Find out how often it moves during what quarters of the year. Those are things you need to know. You can't just get into it just because you saw someone else make money with it, right? That's what I did. All right, I learned that from Ted. He taught us about COMEX, and then I spent the last 8 months looking at that. Some could say I'm slow. Some could say I'm just wasting time, but that's how I've always done things. Same thing with funded accounts, right? The same way I treat funded accounts as well. There's no point rushing the process. The markets are here tomorrow. Literally. Who is your mentor, Don? Good question. Here are my list of mentors. No order. Oh, Teresa. He's in the chat. He's in the Zoom call, guys. That's not right. Every day he comes to the Zoom call. He's still here. Nuke doesn't come though. I don't know where Nuke is. Screen's blurred. Go on 1080p. All right. You know what? Here we go. List of mentors. This is better, right? One mentor per page. This might take a long time. Whoa. Damn, that's nice 15 top wick. Didn't break the highs on the 15. Nice. So if this 15 is not breaking the highs and it's reflipping bearish here with the COMEX open in 11 minutes here, if you close bearish on a 5 minute here, if this candle closes 5, if this 5 closes bearish here, what am I saying? Then the next 5 should be a pretty strong 5 coming down to retest the lows, man. Pretty clean. How big is this range going down until the next support? Like 20 pips, right? I believe 20 pips. Not bad. Oh yeah, 15. Perfect. 10 pip advantage point. COMEX should be interesting today. Yeah, no news as well, so nothing's stopping price from moving today. If it drives, it's gonna drive hard, heavy. For 820. You have news oh, you do? You have CAD CPI, but USD you have building permits. Nothing too major. I'm not too concerned about that. But yeah, you do have USD news. Yeah, you're right. 830. How you know it's gonna come down? We don't know it's gonna come down. Probably shows that it should come down with the 5 close. We go off of probabilities. Everything we do is off of probabilities. Should I add TTRR? Next year we'll add TT for RR because we're gonna have the percentage thing next year. Just like the 15, the same way the 5 did, the same way the 15 did. 15 came down on a flip, right? Just probability. Close bearish, respected the highs, flips bearish, should drop down and fill the wick. Right? That's what I did. That's all. That's high impact, really? Am I tripping? Am I missing something? Do you trade props? No, I do not. I advise traders smaller accounts trade props. You could, if like it's something you want to do, if like you don't have capital but you have the skill, then yeah, you can go ahead and do so. Build the capital and then put into your actual live account. That's not too bad in my idea. What was your first withdrawal? I think it was like $60. I bought Fiji water with it or something. Some stupid stuff. No, that was my first paycheck. What did I buy my first thing? Oh no, it was like $700. I remember it was I bought this chain off the rip. This is like 2019. This is the first thing I bought. I remember this. It was like 700 at the time. It was 700. It was very rare back then. It was a lot more rare than it was. It was like 700 USD off of it was this chain. Do I still have a photo with this? I don't think so. I didn't delete it. Oh, right here. I wore it here, but can't really see. It's blurred. But yeah, that's the first thing I bought. Silver? Nope. It's not even silver. It was just rare at the moment. It wasn't silver or anything. That's silver. You think you got a point deal on supercar? I don't really want a supercar. I want to get, if I get my drivers, I'm probably just gonna get a Tesla. I got a Tesla and call it a life. That's it. Cause I have a pretty addictive personality, and I know for a fact that if I get into cars, I'm gonna be very addicted, and I know I'm getting myself into, and I don't want to get myself into it because I'm just gonna be buying car pieces, just upgrading my shit all the time. So yeah, no, I wouldn't really be interested. That's just me though, man. So I'm just gonna get a Tesla and call it a day, because I know if I get a Tesla, it's just a Tesla. You can't go wrong with a Tesla, right? It gives you all your needs. It's not too cheap, it's not too expensive. It's just good price for what you need, and you can have it forever. That's what I'm gonna do. Cause I'm not really a car guy, but I know I'm not a car guy because I never got into it. But I know if I get into it, I will be a car guy. I just know myself, but I don't know. I had phases where I did want cars, but I know cars get really bad sometimes though. Like yeah, people spend a lot of money on cars, and it's just like, I don't know. The way I see it, it's just a car. But I get it though. Like I don't want to say that because I get that. I get that some people just love cars and they love to upgrade their pieces, their parts. They love going to car meets and just flexing their shits. I get it. I definitely get it. Don't get me wrong. I get it. I get what the hype's about. I'm gonna be spending a lot of money if I were to get a car. Ooh, 5 minutes for a third closure, guys. Pretty clean. Would this have hit break even? No, it wouldn't have, right? Off the 15 flip. Nope. Would not have hit B. Nice. All right, we're coming close to what we wanted here. Coming close. If all this range going down, clean until 6'2", just like my height. I think what we're gonna do is I should come. How big are stops here? Or average 37. Yeah, definitely be half risk for sure. Maybe a little lower than half risk since I don't want to risk too much of my profits today. Depends. I think it went 8% profit, then hit BE. But never flipped them. It depends where you got in there. I guess, yeah. If you enter on the 15 breakout lows, would have hit BE. Okay, what's your dream car, guys? Be realistic. What's your dream car? Not gonna lie, I like Hummers too. Like one car, if if I were to force to get a supercar, if I were forced to get a supercar in Canada, I'll get a Urus probably. Like that's something I like the Urus. Not gonna lie, I do like the Urus. Something about big cars, bro. I don't know. I like something about big cars, bro. Something about trucks, man. Like a Maybach truck. I've always wanted a Maybach truck too. Like a Maybach GOS or something. If they make a car faster, I know. I don't know the feeling yet, but I can imagine. Yeah, I don't understand it yet, but I could imagine what the feeling will be. A Bentley truck? Yeah, I fuck with Bentley trucks. I'm in Canada as well, bro. I can't really drive supercars in Canada, man. It gets snowy over here, man. It gets real bad. It's not like UK where it snows a bit. It blizzards here. What's your car right now? I don't have a car. I don't have my driver's yet. What, Don? You don't have your driver's yet? Yes, I live in fucking Toronto. Yo, the one I drive my vlog. Actually, I do have a car. I have a Bugatti. I have a camouflage Bugatti. Oh shit, you might get some closures here, guys. Lock it in, guys. I know we're talking about cars here, but we might gotta shift it back to the charts real quick here, you know? Things are moving pretty nicely. Mike, you just need a top wick. And you get a bottom wick and a top wick for the next candle. If all this clean traffic towards 63, so that's 30 pips before you can take advantage of this range here. It's pretty solid, man. Four kind of re-break out lows too. Did it re-break the lows? Yeah, it did. It did re-break the lows here. So, damn. All this, the 4 count has clean traffic all the way through until 6-2. Very clean here, Chad. You guys better pray for a bottom wick though. Thanks for watching. Just like, yo, they're asking for a bottom wick. All right, bet. That's what the plan is. No bottom wick incoming. I hope not. But we can't do anything about that. All right. All right, let's get a top wick here. Let's get a top wick here. And then once you get a top wick, you can look to add the sell stops. All you need is a little top wick too, because we're using pre-discount stops for 38 pips here, right? So all you need really is a pre-discount as a little top wick. I want to see like 6-7 here. Get tapped 66.900 levels. Something decent. Yes, perfect. Check, I have a sell stop here, 1665.615, right? Sell stop at 1665.618. There's a top wick that I wanted. There's a closure that I wanted. There's a bottom wick that I wanted. Everything's perfect here. So now if we flip, that'll be our position. Obviously, I'm gonna be using half risk, a little lower in half here, just because stops are a bit wide. And also because I don't want to risk too much of my profits from the morning. I want to just risk a partial of the profits, all right? But sell stops at 1665.615. Nice. So sell stops has been activated here, I believe. Yeah, we've active for sure. Sell stops has been activated. We have an A lot. Gotten some sells here. Stop loss is the first kind of high for 37 pips. And TP's down here for around 57. All right. Am I risking here? 3100. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So partial of the profits. Core of the profits. And then BE point chat is just gonna be looking left here to left hand side. Probably just gonna be the support to the left here, to be honest. This would be the BE point. 663.681. And then we'll let the rest rock towards TP. Current count stops isn't too bad. I want to use a 1 hour stops here, because then we can manage us off. We can manage us off of the 9 AM candle if it does close bullish on a 1 hour, right? Or bullish on 30, not 1 hour, sorry. All right. 4 breakout lows, 30 closure below. 1 hour celery, daily breakout lows. That's the trade. Let me go on the spreadsheet real quick. Oh, Wixon's not back for this? Yeah. 920 gold sells. It's gonna be the breakout, right? The breakout off of the 30. Breakout off of the 30. And then the previous higher low. And half risk. Go on the spreadsheet. All right, let's see what happens here. So manage risk in a winning situation, we already told you guys how we're gonna manage risk. But in a losing situation, how we're gonna manage risk here is off of the part of 1 hour closure. If the 1 hour candle decides to close bearish below or respecting the support at 1667.802, we'll look to manage risk. However, if you do close below off the 1 hour, we'll look to leave it still, right? So yeah, 25 minutes left for the 1 hour candle. That's how we're gonna manage risk there. But same plan as yesterday and the day before that. I think what I'm gonna do is probably close half. Yeah, probably gonna close half at 63 as well. 63.8681 here. That's also gonna be a partial closure because that's around 20 pip mark. Yeah. Am I missing a support here? Maybe BE could be here actually. BE could be probably here, and then closing half would be a little below that. 1 hour breakout previous higher low after 30. This trade here, chat, is 30 minutes 85. Previous higher low is 55. Breakout is 76. So 30-minute breakout, previous higher low. This is a 75% weighting trade. If it was current candle low, it would have been 9%, but it's previous candle low since it was a break of the previous higher low. Wasn't really the flip, right? For current. So this is a 80 or 75% weighting trade off of our previous trades in our playbook. The 15 entry here was pretty clean too. That would have been the pre-Comex candle. Pretty clean. Obviously it's better than this entry, right? Because the onion plays or the entries at the top of the range will obviously be the better entries because you have runners that can survive a lot better, a lot longer. Whereas if you break below, you can easily just drive and then come back, create resistance to drive back down later, right? So if you had runners from there, I'll suggest leaving them. CAD news came bad. Oh yeah, I put CAD news in my ballot today. I thought it was USD, so I just changed it to CAD. Yeah, CAD news come out. GBP CAD. Let's see. Let's take on NAS 100 here. We need CAD NAS 100. Awanda. Nice. Let's go CAD GPY actually. Come on, bad. I bet it was just drop. 20 pips? Nice. Nice. 20 pips. How much should CAD GPY move? Or GP CAD? What was this? 34? Not bad. Not the greatest, but hey, if we do close bearish chat, the 1 hour or sorry, bullish on 30, respecting this resistance, that'd be cool too for 9 AM. Then the 1 hour will be closing bearish below, but the 30-minute time frame will have a 30-minute seller replay. And then obviously you break the lows, you drive down, right? Obviously, you prefer to kind of drive down beforehand, then get 30-minute seller and wait till 9:30 for the push, but that'll be fun as well if that were to happen. Marcus, why just say it like that? Don't make me put you on timeout, bud. Like, bro. Don't make me do it, bro. I will do it. Damn, GJ closed below as well. Ooh, this is a nice fake on GJ, man. This is a perfect fake on GJ here. To go back up in the range here. This is a range 1, right? Price has been pushing up. Range 1 breakout. You close bullish on the next candle. Back into the range here. There's a very high chance you come up to fill the rest of the range. Very clean. Just trying for you to know what that means? Yeah, for sure. It's gonna be an L trade. Actually, no, it's not all-time high views. All-time high is like 1800. Is the play for me? Yeah, I'll take the G buys too, but you gotta just form that first. I don't think that's gonna come until like maybe 9:30 here. 9:30 probably about to come. Chat, if it gets too close to the last 15 here, like let's say around like the last 15 of the 1 hour candle at the break-even stage, we're just gonna close at BE if that were to happen. Let's see, you have 4 minutes left for the 15 and close. That's in that way we can manage risk or exit. Because off the initial breakout lows, you would have expected to just like pop down, right? The way it closed. August losing month. On stream, yeah, but overall, like with the Asian session trades in London, it wasn't a losing month. On stream, it was. I think we were down on stream, like maybe you're probably down 3-4%. But off stream, August wasn't bad. August was actually better than July. Pretty clean, because you had a lot of London moves in August, right? The last 2 weeks are pretty clean though. The last 2 weeks of August was perfect. So it's on GJ. Now I'm looking for buys on GJ. I'm looking for buys above 164.034 here. Right, I'm waiting for a closure above for buys. I'm waiting for this candle to close below, then the next candle to close above, and then 9 a.m. 9:30 will be your buys if you close above. I'm gonna put this real quick, chat. Will manage risk if the hourly closes above the resistance at right, chat? So once you have these plans marked out here, like managing risk plans, that's all you can really do, to be honest. You can't really do anything about the trade. You're already in. You can't control how fast it's going to push, when it's going to push, if it does push even. But what you can do is just manage risk. So we have our levels marked up here where we're going to manage risk at, and that's all we could do about the trade. What time jumping off? I don't know, probably 10, to be honest. Probably 10, 9:30, 10. Same time as usual. Which RR? Usually a 1-to-1. This trade's a little higher than a 1-to-1 though. Percentage per risk? Depends on the stops, but usually 1-2%. The way I manage risk, chat, is like, or the way I enter risk is based off of not my account size. It's based off of my capital I put aside for the account, right? So like this account, I could be risking 3-4%, but of my overall capital, or of my overall capital I put it aside for trading, could be just 1-2%. That's what I mean by when I risk 1-2% per trade. Are you gonna sell? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In a drawdown of I think around what's this drawdown? Around 21 pips. Not bad, not bad. If I lose this trade, I'm sorry that everything's from London, but I'll be losing, I think, 30% of my profits for a day. But if I do lose trade, that'll be my last trade of the day probably. I probably won't take another trade. Let's see though. Yeah, 15 minutes left. This 15 closed there in about 15 seconds here. Again, I'm managing risk off the 1 hour, not the 30, not the 15, right? That's all we're gonna do. Really is wait here. That's all we could do. Being risking around 0.5% is too small. No, it's whatever you're comfortable with. I think some people risk a lot less. Just whatever they prefer. There's no rules to risk, man. As long as it's not too insane, like as long as you're not over risking, you're fine. As long as you're not risking like 10% per trade. Oh, 15 no top wick here. Interesting. Wait for the 4 would be in this trade. Yeah, but that deal was off the 4 hour time frame. That deal was off the fact that the 4 account closed there, And looking left, we're expecting this 4H to drive down here. The trade out will always take. It's everything that we wanted. We got the closures, we got the top, we got the bottom, we still have 30. So 75% winning trade, right? We can't really control what's gonna happen. Losses for you if it hits an L. One thing you could say is you're still ahead here. Like until it actually breaks the highs or 1 hour closes above here, trade's still valid. Oh, it's not like you're out yet technically. You're just in drawdown, which could be a no. Yeah, so we got some nice 30 closures below sells. It was perfect. Nice top wick, everything.
Losing trade, news was negative for dollar, but how do you know that the news will drive it up instead of just create it? Because
it was also yellow folder too. So
the thing is, price action says, yeah, we're gonna go bullish from news, but maybe that news will be the top wick, you know, for the next candle to drive down. That's what price action says. So fundamentals say it'll drive up, right? But how far will it drive? Was the news enough to change the market direction, or was the news just a pullback for price action to drive down? Was it a catalyst for a pullback that you need for a top wick? You know, like, so it's different until it breaks. It's just a top wick. Once it breaks, then you could start saying, hey, the news was strong enough to maybe push the market up, right? But we can't predict that. We can just speak on it with high degree of probability.
Yeah, don't be person A today, chat. Remember person A, person B concept I said earlier? Don't be the person A.
Oh.
Be the person B.
BB.
That's all we do, really. Stick to the playbook. Stick to the playbook. Stick to the playbook. Things that people saying, oh yeah, you could avoid this trade, and like, why would I want to avoid this trade? This is a trade that we've been taking all year. It's like there's no avoiding in the first place. Even if I were to take a loss here, I'm taking the same trade tomorrow, right? There's nothing to avoid really. It's a trade that we're always looking to take because it's
your position. You take it.
Yeah, it's just like, well, nothing's wrong with the trade. It was a close below. They buys 4 accounts bearish. 1 hour broke the lows. It was clean traffic. Everything was clean really. Like off of stats, right? That's all we go based off of. Just off of our previous trades. That's it.
You explain why you entered a strong support. It's not a support. It closed below support.
Yeah, it has line drawn from like 6:30. You know, it's not like I'm like, it's 8 a.m. I want to take a trade here. I'm gonna just put my line up here. No. It was drawn at like 6:30, and I said I was gonna take a trade if it closed below at 6:30, and it did.
I would have a sell stop here, but the issue is the 4 hour.
Yeah, if you're not in right now, obviously, like entering right here would not make sense. You'll probably want to wait for the 4 hour candle to close, because you want to see if it closes bearish here. Right, it could even close bullish, who knows? But if you're not in, then there's no point entering right now. It doesn't make any sense. It's invalid off of the if you're gonna enter here.
Yeah.
Everyone loves to freak out when we take losses. Just gotta take a breather, guys. Take a breather. What happens when you take a loss here? All right, cool.
Same people that pop a bottle when they get a 10 pip win.
Yeah, like just gotta, you know, same thing you do tomorrow, man. You can't. All you can do really is manage risk. Not do anything about the trade, really. If you're not in, then that's the difference. So if you're not in and you're trying to tell me like this wasn't a good position, then I mean that's just your opinion, right? That's just your trade setup. That's fine. I respect it. But you can't tell another man like what their positions are versus what they're not when they have a full spreadsheet. Until you show me a spreadsheet of your trades, right? At the end of the day, we have different. Even if you were to have a spreadsheet, you're trading a whole different strategy. and it's valid. It's valid off of your own sample size data, which is fine. We don't always have to trade the same way. However, just follow your playbook, man, your spreadsheet, and I will follow mine. Look at chat now. Yeah, I know. Thing goes up, they're like, oh no, it's gonna hit stops. Thing goes down, yo, Don's flipping. No. Yeah, wait for the 1 hour count here. You have to keep the same emotions attached, right? Just because you came down here doesn't mean it's gonna drop down all the way through here. You gotta wait for the 1 hour close. You have 8 minutes left. The same plan you had when it was in drawdown, when it was close to hitting stops. You gotta wait for the 1 hour. Don't get too excited. You gotta wait for the 1 hour here close. All right? That's how I know some of you guys are too emotional. You guys move. You guys act different when it goes up, act different when it goes down. No. You should be acting the same when it goes up or down.
I'm unfunded.
Close your trends.
Show, please, face. Oh, show.
Oh, sorry, there you're here.
We do not show face. We do not show face.
It's gonna be a long 8 minutes, chat. I can tell you that. If you're gonna grab some water, I'll say do it now. Don't worry, the trade's not gonna go anywhere in the next 8 minutes. Or you're in a trade for the next 8 minutes, so you can't do anything for the next 8 minutes. So if you're not like, you know, take a shower, touch some grass, now's the time to do it. Because then you can come back at 8:59 and look at the 1 hour close and managers then.
Word, make up your mind, guys. Is Don good or is he not good?
Thing's definitely watching.
Fucking making a fucking
Making a
reel
video
right now.
as we speak. As we speak. It's not funny.
Cap spoken me in the eye, bro. What? Whatever spoken you in the eye, take it out. Who's poking him in the eye? Stop it.
One thing I will say is that the 15 had no bottom wick. I guess that's kind of what made price struggle to drive up there. It hit our stops, 2 hit our stops. It closed at resistance 1 and it just had no top wick, right? So if you can close bearish here, which will make the 1 hour close bearish as well, that'd be perfect. Because then you just confirm resistance.
What's poking him?
What's your opinion on ICT? No comments, no question, no answers, man. I don't want to be involved in drama, bro. For some reason in this industry, the moment you talk about someone good or bad, you fucking get flooded with drama. So I ain't about that life, bro.
You guys need to just.
Chat, who cares?
Oh shit, I'm out. Need
Chat,
another lighter.
like who cares though? Really, like, don't focus on that stuff, bro. Like, who cares what my opinion is on someone or someone else's opinion, right? Just fucking move on every day and wait for closest blow to ranges, man. That's all that is. Just work on improving your strategy. Like, how about this question? What are your opinions on fake outs? That's a much better question. But no, what's your opinion on this guy? This guy. What's that?
Stop discussing people and start discussing ideas.
Yeah, misgift getting canceled.
That was the wisdom of the day yesterday, right? You really want to discuss the ideas that are going to help you in life, make you profitable. We're coming on here like it's 6:30 in the morning. This is work, right? You guys should be thinking of how to fucking make a bag, secure the bacon, and go fucking, you know, make your family's life better on the weekend. Or overall. Like, doesn't matter who's having a fucking awesome life and who's having a shitty trading day. Like, just get better. None of this shit matters. This doesn't.
Yeah. Like, as long as you learn something on the same stream, you won. Right? I always say that too. Like, forget the trades. Just look at the look at everything you've learned today on the streams, whether it's waiting for closures, patience, like whatever it was that you saw in me, or you learned from me or Wix or anyone in the chat, even the mods, right? You would have won. You gained value. Not no, what's your opinion on this guy?
It does matter when you're trying to escape the matrix.
The Matrix.
Or just win the next fucking trade. I'm tired of this shit. Win your next trade, and then win the trade after that, and then win the trade after that. Just come here and win. Be a winner. You know, set yourself up for winning. Create winning habits. If you're not winning today, nothing's stopping you from creating the winning habits so you could win next time, right? Just fuck.
Yo, what if trade hit stop loss though, Wix? How did I win?
Huh? You're ahead in this trade. I mean, I don't give a fuck what people are saying. They're in drawdown. Oh my god, we're gonna lose. Shut up, you little bitch. We're gonna win this trade.
By the way, chat, you know,
Like probability says we're gonna win this trade, right?
but what if we lose?
I might even get activated with you guys. I mean, I'm not in this bitch. I got no dog in the race. But
Wix says, well, alright.
all I'm saying is,
Wix,
like, if I was in this trade, I wouldn't be questioning it.
People are gonna hear that as like they gotta it has to win though. They're gonna go full margin. Whoa, you know?
It doesn't have to win. I'm telling you, you should expect every trade you enter to win. You should have enough reasoning for entering a trade where it should be a win. And if it doesn't win, there's that, you know, it's the market. Nothing is a guaranteed or 100%. Otherwise, like, we'd really be all in business here printing money, right? But we're not. So we're accounting for the chances that we might lose, and, you know, with high degree of probability and confidence, we're taking this trade. And right now, if we close bullish below 1666, I might be in the trade with you guys, or I might have sell stops to be in the trade. It's just timing is off for me. But other than that, you guys are ahead in this trade until it breaks the highs. You mean my $10 account won't grow to 1 million? It can. Nothing's stopping it from growing to 1 million except you.
Mad funny. Oh, the funniest moment I ever had on this stream.
For what? What happened? What was so funny?
Nothing. Sorry, Sensei.
What? Funny in what way?
No, shout you little bitch.
Funny looking?
Alright, bro. Alright, bro. Someone said that if I lose the trade, they will find me. What? I'm sorry. Sorry, it was my fault. I'm in the same trade as you. What you mean? Now, if I wasn't in the trade as you, I was like, ha, you took a loss. I did not. You know, that's a little different. But, hey, I feel the same pain as you too, man, if I take a loss here. Alright, you have 50
should
seconds.
Motivate you. Your traps should motivate you. You should look in the mirror and go, nah, I need bigger traps. You know what? When I go to the gym, I go there knowing that there's guys bigger than me, but nobody has the traps that I do. It brings me comfort. I got the trap game on lock.
You ain't got bigger traps than Nick Merckx though.
Yeah, and Nick Merckx got some big ass traps though. He's big. He's like a heavy set dude. Like he's husky. He's pretty like husky. You know what I mean? He's fucking horizontally challenged, so he's pretty big.
Damn.
Like, you know, like he's got bulk on him. For me, I'm a skinny kid. Like I was in high school. I was a $120, $130.
Chat, I'm closing positions here. Look where we close off the 1 hour counter here.
Above.
Yeah, look where we close above respecting. So this is where you want to manage risk. So we cut losses there. I think it was like around 11 pips. No, 8 lot. That was around 20 something pips. 22 instead of 36 it was. But yeah, I closed there. Because look, the 1 hour candle didn't really close respecting. Now the 4 candle still closed bearish. Don't get me wrong. You can definitely still drive, but we wanted to manage off the 1 hour time frame. What you could do as well is close half and the other half run. That wouldn't be too bad of an idea as well. Because the 4 can definitely still drive here, but I decided to close well. If I look for another position here, I'll wait for closure below in a 1 hour time frame, below 1666 here for more sells. But just gonna manage us there. So that trade there would have been, I think that would have been yeah, that loss took out maybe 20% of my loss, my wins from the morning. So yes, close half. Some yes. I may re-enter, but it's probably gonna be off of the closures below here. 166.6 now. Preferably a 30 closure. Managers well, yeah. We managed on this trade pretty well and the trade yesterday as well too. The Asian session trade. This trade we saved about I think 20 something pips.
Yeah, I managed risk pretty well on this trade.
Yeah, you didn't get in.
Nah, I mean.
You didn't get in. You didn't get in. See chat, very simple once you learn how to just stick to your plan, man. That's all we did. Just wait for the 1 hour close, didn't close below. Okay, cool. Probably shows that it could reject here. Because look, what that means is there is a support here, and you could just spend some time in this range here. So we don't want to be in that mess, right?
Yo, can we update the trades taken in the record? I really want that L there, just so I could get to the next win faster. Chat, like all this is doing is setting you up for another winning streak.
Those negative, what was that, 20? I closed at 20. 20.
It was a nice setup. These people, they're not blind. They just been here for a long time. That's why they know it's a nice setup, because the same setup worked over and over and over before.
What was the entry? 20. 22. Come on. Nice. And it was also half risk. And we went a little lower in half. Or I did at least. Right, so that's how I manage risk really. The first part of managing risk for today was to pop a smaller lot size to only risk partial of my profits. So I went with 8 instead of 10. And then the second part of managing risk here was waiting for the 1 hour close. And then we did exactly as planned. And then price started to reject as expected. So win. However, obviously the trade didn't play out then and there. So I was an L. But let's see. We can still get positions there.
Gold's messing with my win-loss.
Damn, I wanted that to be a win because then we just clipped the part where you said shall be a little bitch. 21. Close half at 21. No, I didn't close half at 21. I closed full at 21. I didn't close half at 8. I closed full at 8 yesterday. 21.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense to stay in a position once you got a closure. Because like we said yesterday, you wouldn't be entering there. You wouldn't want to be in a position there. But we get this fake out.
I don't know. I might call it because like my plan today was to take trade NY session, but I was only gonna willing to take one loss. And because if I take another loss, it's gonna be like 50% of my profits, right? So I don't know. I might call it early today, chat. Honestly, I call it early. Not a bad day, but could have been better. Definitely could have been better. Let's do a word real quick. Actually, let's do a word and then we'll discuss.
Rage quit.
You would pray for me to see a rage quit from me. You never see a rage quit. I don't get that angry for me to get a rage quit. Thank you, Don. If I used to lose 6, 8, 10 pips. following the other guy, and now because you're losing 20, 30 pips. Oh, also nice. Also nice. 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 This is for the year, by the way. Nice. let's do a word though. Let's do a word real quick, chat. We'll be right back.
I used to work for cash, but through hard work and dedication, I now get direct deposit.
Do it real quick. Let's do it real quick.
You guys are fucking, you silly geese.
Let's do it real quick. Let's do it. Hey. Stops. Yo, so what could this word be? Are you frozen, Wix?
Yeah, this joint had me frozen for a second.
Pace would make a good look, guess, but I guess there's no A
These
there.
mods are hella sus. The mods are in blue, not in green.
Phase? Oh no. Plead? No.
Wick's not high. Wick's got like a million things. If you guys knew what I know, you'd be sitting here like this too. How about range? Oh no, we can't do range.
No, it can't be R.
No R. Ooh. Cache. C-A.
Cache? What does this mean?
No, C-H. C-A-C-H.
Oh, no. Wait. Oh, cache.
That's a word.
Fuck. This is so hard, bro. It's gonna be a hard world
We
today.
suck.
Yeah, we definitely suck.
So A is first, right?
No. Could be
And
AE.
E is, no. Where's AA Ron? We need AA Ron. These A letters.
Bro. This is hard. This is hard, chat.
Searching it off stream.
Markets, markets, markets.
Wow, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. My daughter just bought me flowers.
Nice. What am I gonna
Like,
do with that
Dad,
information?
Dad, hold
Kidding.
on. I'm gonna bring you more flowers. She's so funny. I'm just trying to distract people from the L. That's this Wordle.
People are upset. You need help. This is hard, bro. We have no idea where the A is. You know where the E is. Like, what could it be? Zam. I think something like this, bro. Like, what can start with an A?
No, I don't think it was gonna be. It's something A and the E at the end. Like
Ollie. Ah, no.
a line.
Huh?
No. N E. A line. No.
Line? Ah.
I didn't even know that was a word.
I thought,
Fine.
yeah.
Alive.
Alive. Oh. Hold on.
Alike?
Hold on. Wait. If this is wrong, we're fucked. We're not going to lose the word. Okay, yeah, bro. I was going to say, bro. What?
Yeah, boy.
Damn. Around one point, we were so close to beating Wordle's wins. I think at one point, chat, we had 78 wins and like 80 Wordles played. And we almost had more wins than Wordles on stream, like trades, right? But now things start to slow down. We have 104 wins and 138 played. So we're far behind right now. Quite far behind. You might get closer.
Again.
Yeah, if you get closer, I'll reattempt the sales. Yeah, you got close, Phil. Bell first. Who closed half, by the way? I think closing half wasn't that bad of an idea.
At least, I think. I don't know. The 15 is good. I think you need a 30.
Yeah, I'll probably wait for a 30. I'll probably move my support down towards here and then wait for a 30 close. That's probably what I'll do. Right there would be perfect. Because now that you close bullish, right? Just confirm support. So you need for more sells, you need closures below here for more positions. Until then, you can still flip. Flippity flip. Make that sound again. What sound? That sound? The interviewer is gone? Yes. The fake people left. The fake ones that come just for trades leave. The ones that stay here for value are the real ones. You know that sound too? From what? Like opening a Coca-Cola? Are you sure? Is that the sound you're thinking of? Or are you thinking of another sound? Got relaxed there, man. I know it's a Tuesday evening here, but you know, at least get the morning over with. At least get the morning over with. It's starting to get depressing? What you mean? You guys like the ASMR stuff? Damn, tough stream this month, huh? We started off the year not taking anything more than, like, nothing more than 2 losses. We never took 2 losses in a row all year. All year. In August, took 2 losses in a row, or 3. That was the first time since 2021. For the whole year this year, never took 2 in a row, right? Back to back. And then August came, boom. Then September, 4 in a row. Now, Don, how are you breaking even for the month when the stream is down? Well, that's because Asian, the singles channel for Asian, right, in London, has been pretty decent. It's been a lot better than NY. So that's why, like, the account is up this month, or at the BE stage this month, at least.
I don't know why you guys are mad. Like, a lot of you are taking 4 losses in a row every other day. You're just upset that Don's doing it. He's human.
Yeah, I think another thing is because, like, we have a win rate and we have a spreadsheet, so, like, we're gonna have a lot more people that are gonna be on us, right? Because, like, oh,
Yeah,
how does he have a
created,
win rate?
We also created massive expectations with the first half of the year.
Yes, expectations, that's what it is. People expect us to and it's fine. Like, expectations are good. Like, I like expectations. Like, I'm expecting us to win too, but maybe expect more reverses.
You guys don't need to buy the signals or the chorus to be profitable. Just do you can show up to the streams. It's been working the whole year.
It's all a marketing tactic.
But, like, there's value in everything. There's a value in signals. A lot of people can't fucking be on the streams, can't even, you know, hop off work. They're sitting at their cubicle or, you know, doing their whatever work, and then they get a signal and they trade. There's people that really are in this for the lifestyle, and they're gonna learn and get the course, and there's people that just, you know, self-taught people learn everything on their own. Like, I've learned everything I've ever known probably through YouTube. Yeah. And that's how people learn right now. Everything's available for free if you're willing to put in the time. You know, just do your due diligence. Grand X, I know you're trolling. There's so many people on here that are pretty new and fresh that they're not gonna think you're trolling. They think, really feel that way.
Yeah, closing half wasn't too bad. The 4 account was still bearish. Still bearish. That's nice. If it breaks the lows here, guys. Whoo. Let's see. Can you explain your GA trade? Yes, sir. It was the 4 candle break of the highs. The flip stops with the previous 4 low for 34 pips. TP is up here for 53. That was a trade. I just had 2 lines here. Resistance and next resistance up here. That's it. Negative 21. Test your words per minute, please. Why? You don't think I'm time fast? Or what? Whoa, who was just here? Oh What is life I cannot change?
10 minutes to this closure. This is the longest 10 minutes of my life right now.
If you don't close here, I'm gonna call it a day.
Yeah.
I'll be happy to call it. Yo, what lot size you use for the last night trade for us?
For gold?
Yeah, how big are stops in gold?
I had a 5 lot and I don't remember. I went break even pretty quickly.
29 pips.
The next candle I don't think gave much of a top wick. I think it just ran down.
The 1 hour count, yeah. Then you woke up at 3 a.m. Golly.
I didn't wake up at 3 a.m. I got woken up by my daughter coughing her brains out.
That was
So
God sending you a message.
I ran to CVS. I got her a Mucinex EM. And then I went on the charts for a minute because, like, I don't know. My girl was complaining that it was taking too long. So I was like, all right, I'm not going back in bed with you right now. I'm going to see what's on the charts. I'm going to go. And then I took a trade, went to smoke a joint, passed out, woke up, 70 pips in profit, and then I closed it.
Imagine when I trade, how would you feel? Nothing different. Would have done the same thing tomorrow. You guys don't understand, man. There's no emotions attached to that trade. I closed there. Okay, cool. It shows on paper I lost $2,000 on a 8 lot. However, I'm still here taking that same trades tomorrow. You guys don't understand. Like we do not care about what happens because we already did all that already. We already did a sample sizing. Like we're still in the process of doing that as we speak. We're still getting better every day, but we can't do anything right now. I would take the same trade tomorrow. Right? There's no emotions, guys. You're literally a robot.
All right, we do not care.
we do not care.
Like, really, the goal is like the stream's not for us. You know, that's why there's no emotion because, like, you know, you guys are emotional. You guys took a loss. Yeah, we took a loss as well, but we're confident. Like I said, we have the comfort of being confident here that this works and the knowledge and experience that this works. And, you know, you have to do your own trading. If you've been trading with us the entire year, I mean, you'd be pretty comfortable too. Like, this stream is for you guys. It's not really for us. I don't make a dime. Don probably makes a dime off the stream, but like this isn't like, you know, this is nothing compared to what trading brings in, right? This is just more. Read the description, an educational stream. But you guys should be getting value out of this.
Ooh, what 30 minute broke the lows for a 30 celery. Yeah, the entry would have obviously would have came back, but nice. Let's see.
5 minutes.
Yes, sir.
I mean, well, don't tell the haters to fuck off, right? They're good for the algorithm. So, like, you want the haters here. You want people engaging, right? We want people talking. Like, we're not gonna start any hate, but like, if people want to come in and talk shit, that's great. They're good for the algo, right? Likes or dislikes, it's all good for the algo. Any conversation and any chat in here is good for the algo. So please, I'm gonna hate, but like, it's like, is it worth it? Why? You can be fucking learning at that same time. Like, vibe check.
Who's that? Margos?
No, I'm just doing a vibe check for chat. Come on, check your vibe at the door.
Oh, 50-minute stops or current count stops 15 will be 25 pips. Ain't too bad. First count stops on there, however, would be 32 pips. So same as the first trade. Who here in the last 5 minutes has switched their bias 5 times? Or the last 30 minutes?
Who's
See,
already in a trade
that's-
because we think we're bearish?
Going back to what I said earlier, you are that trade A. You're just changing your bias.
That's like me. That's all me. All of those are me. I did that, all of that.
Took positions in between.
Guilty.
You would have just revenged it. You would have just changed your bias 1,000 times just because you wanted to take a trade. Person B, we just sat there and waited for the next opportunity here within the next 3 minutes.
Buy stops, sell stops, check. That's me.
Yeah. Why does this thing always
That
pop
is
up?
me.
Hey.
Chat, who spammed so much they got timed out? Me.
Beat. Hop up in the whip. You wanna pump me, bitch, can't stop me. I'm running in a Mozzie. When the song first came out, it was so cool. Let's get some calm Kodak for this next trade. Hey Wix, might get your entry now. An hour later.
Coming, chat. It's coming. You may be in there with you.
Any news had an impact? No. It just rejected that support to the left. It was still valid, and just because we got out doesn't mean like it was like we're bullish for a day after. Like it was still bearish for a day. It's just with our stops and the way we closed. If it closed below, I would have left it, but just it closed clearly right at it, so I couldn't really go against my plan there, right? Second attempt here though. Second attempt. See, now you guys are just changing it. It's just like, oh yeah, it's gonna go down now. No. Where was that entry earlier?
Where was that energy? Got a minute to go.
I'm watching Zoom chat. It's like, you can't cheat. I feel like that's cheating though. $49 seconds, guys.
We're gonna
Can we
break
get
the
a
lows
bottom
and
wick?
no bottom wick. Watch.
No bottom wick, we gone all day, man. I don't care if it drives 100 pips. That is
No
my
outro,
day.
just stream crash. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Fill the range. No bottom wick.
Oh
Close the
wait, this
stream.
thing is still in.
Enjoy your day.
Oh, nice. I'm trying to figure out if. All right, well, that's that. All right, cool. All right, chat.
Stream over.
Yep. Yep. Damn, that channel did not close. That channel did not close. Wow. This luck was on their side today. Yeah, no bottom wick here. No entries. However, if we're still in, obviously, this thing is coming down now. Should be coming down pretty nicely. But yeah, as for entries, I can't re-enter here. So I'm just gonna call it. So, was our bias correct today? Yes. Did the trade play out? Yes. What could we have done differently? Probably nothing, to be honest. Maybe close half off that candle because the 4 candle is still heavily bearish instead of full. But aside from that, not much could have done really, to be honest. All right. Yeah, I should drop down here pretty nicely towards 1660. Who has FOMO?
Oh,
Hey, where's the entry before though?
man.
Where's the entry before? Again, our analysis is usually 9% correct. But it just comes down to the entries, right? Well, that's it for me, guys. I'm gonna call it a day here. I'm gonna move on till tomorrow, or maybe Asian today, maybe London. But tomorrow we'll be here at 6:30 am Eastern.
There's
yeah.
definitely an Asian stream
Yeah.
coming. 8 p.m. UW Square.
Yeah. And
We doing this Asian.
yeah.
Sounds like yeah.
No, I'll be on. Maybe I'll be on. Maybe I might be up, but I might be on. I'll let you guys know.
Well, if Don's stream ain't on, it's Wix's stream. One of our streams will be on at 8 p.m. tonight.
All right, chat. Peace out. I love you guys. Thanks for tuning in today. Love and drop a like if you guys enjoyed today's stream, today's breakdowns, whatever it was. But yeah, catch you guys tomorrow morning. All right. Laters.
Yo, I don't even know, man. Maybe I'm the only one who sees how whack this nigga is. You know what I'm saying? But the rest of these niggas like this nigga or something, yo. Fucking 33 years old trying to get respect, nigga. Get a life. Feed your family, man. God damn.
Yo, what?
Fucking 33 years old trying to get 33 years old trying to get respect, nigga. Get a life. Feed your family, man. God damn.
Yo, why the fuck would you jump to step to a motherfucker such as myself? Nigga, I deck you, lay you out, beat the shit out you till you confess to being the weakest nigga out in homosexual shit. You jock me and talk shit cause you not me, I'm cocky. This faggot's riding my dick, a jockey. Try me, nigga, your shit's jokes, you Cosby, I'm Ali. Bitch, I'm the king, you Rodney.
Sorry, that was an accident.
Paper planes, Novocaine, Mary Jane. Say one thing to me, you text toast, no razor cane. I can't lie, life's good, man, I can't complain. Walking through the hood undoubtedly without a stain. Hopped off the porch, I'm a prodigy, they know the name. Had to run it up, let my prophecy financial gain. If you ain't with me, you against me, then get out the way. Spinning on you and your people, dancing on your grave. Choppers like Resident Evil, we dress like blood rain. Rock that American Eagle, hoodie got blood stain. My brother whipping up them kilos, I told him fuck the game. Twin Glocks, Max Pay, kick shit, Johnny K. Ice Summer, Johnny Day, beat shit, Luke K. Flaming shit, Luke K. Brand new day, brand new K. Ballin' like 2K. I swear I've been betrayed, one too many times, too many to count. Yeah, all the nights I prayed, solid how I stayed. No matter how they played it, I stood on mine. Whoa, yeah, there's too many to count. Hey, hey, times I've been betrayed. Fuck is that about? Paper plane, Laker game, Novocaine. Headshot Drizzy, man, you know the aim. Niggas praying, I spare them like a bowling lane. Yeah, like Mike, Corleone, sporty flow. I done it all, it's like I'm shorty low. All these fools I'm beefing that I barely know. 45, 44, let it go. You ain't changing shit for me, it's set in stone. Rolling stones, heavy stones, precious stone. Let me make my presence known. Paper planes, Novocaine, Mary Jane. Say one thing to me, you text toast, no razor cane. I can't lie, life's good, man, I can't complain. Walking through the hood undoubtedly without a stain. Hopped off the porch, I'm a prodigy, they know the name. Had to run it up, let my prophecy financial gain. If you ain't with me, you against me, then get out the way.
my dye in my head red, just to look like a pound of red. I like all of my cups so dirty, I been sipping that bloody man. I'm in all of my bronze and pro milk for time, roll on my doorbell. I'm in all of my bronze and pro milk for time, roll on my doorbell. Don't get close, baby, don't get too close. Don't get close, baby, don't get too close. But you don't know, yeah, gon' hurt cause you don't know. Cause you don't know, yeah, gon' hurt cause you don't know. I gotta eat, I gotta eat, I got to eat, I got to eat, I got some money, shot it with me, shot it come see, shot it fancy. She wanna buy it, she wanna cut it, she wanna ride it, baby, she wanna buy it. I like these bitch, she wanna action, she wanna cut it. I got these diamonds, they blinking, bitch. I love my phones, they ringing, bitch. She like them niggas, they really rich. Her hands on my stick like a little witch. I told her I really don't do this shit. That money gon' make that bitch do this shit. Codeine on my cup, bitch, I do this shit. Codeine on my drink, bitch, I do this shit. You know that my body is full of it. You know that my shawty be full of it. You know that I'm happy, so I'm ruining it. I'm taking these chances and doing it. You take off your head and we move the bitch. My shawty rock go like a Buddha bitch. That shout out my cousin, he coolin' it. We really hot boys, we not new to this. We really hot boys, we not new to this. I'm thinking about dyeing my head red, just to look like a pound of red. I like all of my cups so dirty, I been sipping that bloody man. I'm in all of my bronze and pro milk for time, roll on my doorbell. I'm in all of my bronze and pro milk for time, roll on my doorbell. Don't get close, baby, don't get too close. Don't get close, baby, don't get too close. But you don't know, yeah, gon' hurt cause you don't know. Cause you don't know, yeah, gon' hurt cause you don't know.
So they think I wanna die, yeah, cause my dose is suicide, yeah, bet my coffin would be nice, yeah, stir that bitch up with some ice, yeah. These people don't want me alive, no, they wanna play games on my life, oh, the coupe doors are suicide, oh, the coupe doors are suicide, oh.
Yo, Wixon, I think the hairs are gone yet? Oh, Wix can't even hear me right now. Damn. This is just me here. The hairs are gone, chat. Think we can come back? I think it's safe to come back. Cause go play it out. Go play it out. I'm trying to see if there's any other way we could have managed risk there, and to be honest, I mean, no, kind of done anything differently, to be honest. 1 hour kind of close respecting it. It's like the banks heard us, so like, yo, Don, I think Don's waiting for 1 hour to close below, right? Let's just close above and drive prices after, so he closes off first. No, further, yeah, no, to be honest, though, that's what I would have done every time. Can't do much. Because you can't go back and say, oh, we left it. No. You got to think long term. Like, long term, what would you have done there, right? I would have closed 100% every time there. Maybe not full, maybe half in some occasions. In this case, half maybe was the play because the 4 account was still bearish. If the 4 account was the close bullish, maybe close full. But that's about it. I think initially I wanted to wait for it to see if we close above here, but I mean, even so, I don't know. I would just left it, honestly. It's not about being confident in trades. It's just managing risk every time. It's nothing to do with confidence or emotions. It's just, that was the plan. That was the plan from 6:30. The risk management plan was all set in stone. Like, it was nothing I said that because everything I did today, I just followed what I said. You know, I wasn't just like making shit up midway. All right. So you can't get too upset. You can't get FOMO over this as well. You won. Glad to see it played out though. Like always, right? All right, chat. That's it. Little bonus clip. But I'm gonna catch you guys during Asian tomorrow. All right, peace out.